22 minutes past 9 on Zimdancehall Overdrive. Man, welcome everybody. Just do remember that we are live on Mangungunengu TV Facebook page as well as the Star FM Facebook page. We're live, we're there in full flesh. So make sure that you come through on those social media platforms, man. We appreciate the time that you always take just to be on those platforms. And also, if you want to join the dancehall conversation, you got to make sure that you come through on our WhatsApp platform, which is 0775-897-897. That is the WhatsApp number, or 775-897-897. Come and let me just step and allow me to say what I want to you and you and you and you, city to city, ghetto to ghetto. That's what we're talking about on Zimdancehall Overdrive, yeah. And also, big shout out going out to my brother from another mother. That's the one name Selector Tanaman on the ones and twos. Blow the horn for Selector Tanaman, Icho. Make it louder, please. And that's more like it. And that's the way he likes it. Yeah, man, so in a couple of minutes, I'm going to be joined by the one named Simplex Music. They're celebrating their 5th anniversary this coming weekend. And it's been 5 years in the game, 5 years of making non-stop hits. So they've actually brought the artist, man. It's a surprise. The guys are already in the studio, so I'll be letting you know which artist we have in the studio. And then in the next hour, I'm going to be having DJ Fidel, and we're launching the Hot Emotions rhythm. I'm not so sure if Silent Killer will be passing through, but definitely supposed to do so because we got a lot to talk about, man. Remember the Cup Clash happened last weekend, so we also need to zoom in on that one. But in the meantime, in between time, shout out to everybody who's watching live on our Facebook page, the likes of Tondera Mashandore, Langton Muzizwa, Contilda Karukwez, Emmanuel Tutu Chabanda, Stella Mapumo, Zim Huchi Teens, Wagwan, Nyasha Tota, all the way in Cape Town, Muko Musanti, Love Joy Mashanda, Zolambas Menzi, Bruce Chitare, Tafadzo Ki Kupi, Twasimbarash, and Ngube, and so Precious Chinonzura. So the next tune that we're gonna play, man, it's a dedication. The next tune that I'm gonna play, it's a big dedication to a couple of journeymen, man. They've been with me from long break, and up to now they've always been supporting the brand Mangungunengu TV, and also the brand DJ Mbale. So I've got so much respect for them because the past few days they were celebrating their birthdays, and I'm talking about the guys from Steel Partner, Mr. Matthew as well as Mr. Hopper. So happy birthday to you, gentlemen. And also before I dedicate the next song to all these gentlemen, I also want to say belated happy birthday to my father, Mr. Moses January Banda. Yeah, man. Happy birthday to you, Mdara. More life, more blessings, as well to the guys from Steel Partner. Happy birthday. I'm 2.1 through here, but hey, I thought I could get you something, but unfortunately, Shopee Chogadanza just going to accept my pound, so I was like, I'll have to do it next year for this gentleman. But anyway, Selector Tanaman, play us the big tune for the big boys. Let the tune make so much noise. Hey, Joe, go so. It's a wicked tune. Somebody say easy. Lemon squeeze. And earlier today I was with the big man himself, man. I can't believe he was making fun of my stomach. I think I really need to go to gym. Shout out to Mr. Tanashim Tadis as well, yeah. The two gentlemen were making big fun of my stomach, man. I was so embarrassed. I was like, for real? I need to go to the gym. Let go.
You and each other. Apana chingatinete Tino wanza pesa nisa manu tu Panadanana imani Nemuta uroko bako hamane shamwani Bata tene tu Taka pariwa mugateni Gati fambo zedu kiki temba simbara mwani Ina ndipendaka siya wani no da Rudo wangu di no paiwe Baby apana chino shota Andipa kusiya nenyota So no da Iningo itachero Hasirusa zonchisa mchero Nipika pandiri chingwe itawani mufero Baby don't run down Iningo itachero Andipa kusiya mchero Shiva, Muno Mune Mufaro Honatunjiva.
Datirona, better Rudora Rira, Gatite Jataiva Varira.
Como yo wakandi Batai Papo, Nijabu Batai Papo.
Hanazikura Verana, Shichai Tabo.
Batai Papo, Nijabu Batai Papo.
Hagonanga Nida Bangasa.
Saunoda, Inito Itachero. Hasiusa Sonchisa Mutero. Nipika Paniri Chimbaita Wani Mufero.
Baby Jonada, Hininda Itachero. Handi Pokuchisa Muchero. Handi Kusi and Dini Ndega.
Katira Mesa Ata Munaiwa. Ugadeni. Toka Sani Tujete. Hadi Munge Katinete. Tega, Tega.
At 28 minutes past 9 on Star FM sounding good all the time. Just in case you wonder which week is it this week, man. For, today, around the world, people are celebrating International Literacy Day. Yeah, man. Rapidly changing global context took a new meaning over the past few years and hampering the progress of global literacy efforts in the aftermath of the pandemic. Nearly 24 million learners might never return to formal education, out of which 11 million are projected to be girls and young women. To ensure no one is left behind, we need to enrich and transform the existing learning spaces through an integrated approach and enable literacy learning in the perspective of lifelong learning. Yeah, man, so we are encouraging vabereki vesu kuti ndesai vana kuchikoro nhasi ndozita rekunzi vakadzidza ndevapi kwete kuti vakadzidza zvikanzi vakadzidza vazhinji vanobva vafunga pari kutaurwa nekuUZ kana kuMSU vane madegree. Pamwe pacho kana zvienzi kudzidza zvinenge zvichingotaurwa kunzi can you read and write. Wise. So shout out to everybody who is able to do that, and to all those who can't, please take them to school. Star FM sounding good all the time, man. We're going to take a short break, and when we come back, we continue with the show because I've got superstars ready in the house.
It's going down for real.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Up next.
I'm your guy, DJ Mbale on Star FM. Dumangungu Nangu boss. Somebody saying ding 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 ding.
Up next, he knows the streets. He is the streets. He is the Mangungu Ndengu boss, DJ Mbale on Star FM.
Nobody.
Simplex Music.
Nobody. 5-star. Nobody nyangwe ndiske mchirongo kampiro kanino kuitasa nike pondo siva kuti nakapinda nemoyo tisasiyane sefaya nesimoko. Nobody nyangwe ndiske mchirongo sezvakaitwa pamani yeist na Tokyo. Nobody anekane zvakwe mchirongo eslo mani tota nyangwe zvimashwe Nyayava yashiga kunachokamire Bandida na uya utitaurire Nyayatako uya ushimirire Mamberi peva nugu zitaurire Mabondi no kanganisa Andina kuya vanago sopikisa Asinda uya kuso zininipisa Mamberi pedare ranyunditi zichenesa Saka imimi changamire dombo
Simplex Music.
Stallion. Nemusizara nyushova zishakuna Varimunhama vashabuda Nemishova Baba Muzoro zishatu Ghetto, nobody akatokurira Dorarako nekumukira ndoshanda kusikira ndavamufakose anekuti ndinoda budiriro atindumburuta kunyangwe pandaitata mamero vaisapa vakandiuta vaindiseka ndichitetereka vaindiseka ndichitetereka nenyika ndichipepereka takakauya ndakabva simuka avasati vandiona varichapera gore ndakavasona ndakazaliva kurova ngoma ndoimba ngoma kusikira ndakuma Levels Fantana Ribe Switch up Suka Simplex Testing Mukati ndoti umburuzwe Gato fara ashunguruzwe Kuneva noroba mabebi ndiva udze mswetete juice usazo mita suze bodo Abasimba monya ndikuze bodo Bandoroba mabebi ko vanotwe mukadzi wanogara nepatenboard chimo bodo aiwa bodo kana aiwa bodo mukadzi arowe gafaire achitini nanrowe bodo kana aiwa bodo kana aiwawo mukadzi arowe gafaire achitini.
Definitely 5 years in the game, half a jubilee. He's making hit after hit after hit from every artist, man. His name is Zimdancehall Overdrive, and today he's with us in the building. And he came through together with Mr. Zimdancehall Magado and Mr. Give Mobonde. Simplex Wagwan.
Mbale.
Apa tango play my hits mashoma kamdara.
Yeah, mashoma kawandisa tikazomaliza yesa atizobepana.
Andizoti dombo yakata anointing oil kana kuti chi but andikutozodawo because my hits akawandisa.
Zvinhu zvakablesswa mudara.
Zvinenge zvablesswa.
Awa.
Yeve and mukoma give Mobonde toda kugamuchirai ku chirongwa chino cha Zimdancehall Overdrive pano pa Nevenyu Star FM munofara here.
Ndiri mutano.
That's Ndunge Youth, man. And also Mr. Windsor is also in the building, man. Wagwan Windsor.
Kazwai mambo.
Yeah, man. Masuta mne mchungoro wa Windsor. Ai. Ameno smart za mungoro wa kobere mimi. Murumbo dress kwa nani kana kuti muri kuzvitenga kupi timbo notengawo.
Tinozvitsvaga muguta munenge mune vamwe.
Yeah, man. Star FM sounding good all the time. So, Simplex, 5 years in the game.
5 years in the game, but as Simplex Music.
As Simplex Music.
Right.
Yeah. Actually, it's more than 5 years. Urimo mtamba, but officially as Simplex Music. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. 5 years. Maguna so ndopa magana so tanga unya so rudunuranda ndicha izo. Ongo garo chirudunu rako.
Garo chirudunu but no zana wapa mshapa kuka onengwa sunungwa kwende onengwa baba kaifa.
Upana embassy na arikuudzira.
Hapana ningachukudzira. Plus ningwa ni freedom.
Heavy. Star FM sound good all the time. I got Simplex in the house right now. Simplex, you know every time but not taura. Pane vamwe vatsva vanenge vasati vamboziva kuti ndiani anonzi Simplex tongonzwa masongs esa achingonzi Simplex Music. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about yourself.
All right. Anonzi Simplex mukomana anonzi Zimdancehall Simplex akaberekera kugwero. Ndo kwachinobva chikomana. Chikazoya kuHarare. Saka ndo pano Simplex papo.
Let me also ask you something, Simplex. How old are you? 27. Kugweru kuchi chinomboitika because ndokunobva maproducers akaipa mudara.
Inyasha mudara. Zvingori zvipo zviri muvanhu.
I agree with you. I definitely agree with you. Now you've Tanamana Rusega. All right, Shadila newe. Personally, Tanama Tinenya Kepamangungu 411.
All right. Mfambo itaura.
Iri deep. I nature wheat and mazmai.
Andijiga. I am mfambo ifambira nyayo.
But anyway, Mr. Give Mobonde aka Mr. Ndunge Youth, man. I heard and congratulate you in person. Congratulations on enrolling per UZ Pipe Mdara. Mukuru finance zvakatsuka. Murive kumari.
Ngatende mwari.
Nazoka iza Mdara. Inda, are you okay?
Ayo, ndogara ndakadaro.
Ngani madzikoma.
Wanengani madzikoma.
Zamafana kuzvihambla.
Yeah, man. Ndunge, let me ask you something. How many wanamakona manganoshanda na Simplex?
Kubva pandakatanga kutorwa mangoma pachipa. Kubva ndakatanga kurwa mangoma ndo pandakatanga kushanda nawo. Dani 3 years ndichirwa mangoma saka 3 years idzodzo dzandairwa mangoma ndishanda nawo for past 3 years this is.
And what's that one song yakaproduced na Simplex yaunoti ipa wakangobata mugoma ndaona kuti magetsa atakaenda iyi
Mbare kubata kwa Solani.
From Mbare kubata kwa Solani.
Yeah, takaita na bluti manja.
Big tune. Big tune. I've seen a lot of people doing the challenges on TikTok, and it's doing so well on all platforms across all the social media platforms. Now coming to you, Mr. Windsor.
Babajo.
But what I want to know from you is how long has it been since you started working with Simplex, and what's your biggest song that was produced by Simplex Music?
Yeah, nasazita wangu kuti makuru anokwana kuita iwo mana zvichiraudzira tichishanda tiri tose saka ndosaka maona pazuva riri nhasi tichingori pamwe chete tichizundaidza ndima ende mukushandidzana kwangu navo song yavakandigadzirira ndingati ikurusa ndingati ese zvawo asi pari zvino iri kunyanyofarirwa nevanhu inonzi mukukura kwangu ndisina baba yaruka kudai mufunge ndi mama akazouya rufu akazotora mama ndimukoma Simplex vakakwenenzvera.
Now Simplex maitsa kwakawandisa mudara au ndinonyazonzwisisa your creativity kuti inobva kupi because you know it's only in not dancehall your producer maitsa akawandisa ku gospel muriko you've worked with ana Mapodu Terere, you've worked with ana Matthias Mere nemamwe maartist akawandisa na Baba Harare. How do you get into that creative space and say, you know what, izvi ndozvichanakidza vanhu kwete kunakidza inini?
Ona inini like chipo changu chinenge mhepo izi chinowanikwa kwese kwese.
Yeah.
Saka chamunozoti mahitsika imi ndimunozotiudza munenge muchiteerera but isusu tiri mustudio chatechita chechigadzira basa rekuti rikateerwa nhasi ngatiteerwe mangwana uyewo even vazukuru vedu vanozoramba chita vachiteererawo saka ndo zvatechita asi zvinozonzi mahitsi imimi muri kunze ndimunozotaura kuti no iyi hit song iyi ndi song inonakidza iyi song yakati ndimunozosarudza kana kuti ndimunozojaja kuti aiwa iyi song toinoisapa asi isusu chatechikoshesa kuti basa rigare uye music chinhu chinorarama nesingaperi.
Heavy. Now right now 5 years in the game, you're still relevant, you've won awards. What does it mean for you?
Ndinoappreciate kuti zvandiri kuitawo zviri kugamuchirika kunzawo saka zvinotipawo simba kuramba chishanda chienda mberi.
Yeah man, unoziva Simplex ungori wemashoko mashoma. Now amongst all the songs that you've produced, which song would you say this is my biggest song in the past 5 years?
Past 5 years.
Ndozati unoshanda nevanhu pamwe pacho unofila kunge haufane kutaura, but let's say your top 5 biggest songs. Okay,
my top 5 biggest songs. Alright, kune song ya bazuka inonzi Bodo is a wanna be radium. Kuta Fadza Mtengi
Pop 10 and Alana.
Yes, that song ndo iverenga papo foot cause ona masonga nechiverenga akutazokuti anzwike kumashiro kwazvo kune kurwadza kwanenga nawo asi ndo zvinoita zvinechi zviende kumberi.
Pabodo chi chakarwadza mudara?
Zvakawanda zvichiitika mudara.
Okay, and Fadza Mtengi, I know you chakarwadza nyaya dzemari ndinoiziva nyaya iyoyo.
Ini kuita stambo ndinofanira kugwangu baba Harare stambo ndinofanira kugwangu pamataro avaita song iyoyo asingatomboziva kuti nekwavari vakatomboitirirawo wakati
vari kupi kogas
vari kunonzi
Somabula. Heavy and
zvinhu zvakatoneshoka saka music ndotosvikawo kunzwana sekunogwa
ayo mudara mangoma anitenderera. Now the other 3 songs.
Pane song yawinza inonzi yataura inonzi chiona
mukura kwangu yemani
conscious ya ayo akadzamisa. Pane song yoti unogwa irecord aka chingoti adukure kuda song but auzoitira kumixa wakutira song manje pozonzwa kuti unakatipisa ka because nengwa kutora situation oisa kana maoko mako chero siwo ne situation asinomboitoisa maoko mako umbofunga kuti ayo uri wewe ndipo unozoona kuti ayo munhu akadzamisa pfungwa. Then akawanda mukuru mamwe acho antumba
pangosara 2 chete
pangosara veshe vakukuchibhombi
uwana winza akutokutipira
masongo acho anene agadzira akawandisa
blota vasati vandoona
atikatara akawandisa changamire dombo secolors song ya Ndunge na Bloti trend these days akawanda masongo acho
heavy. Now Ndunge youth, the 5th anniversary is here. And I know as Zimdancehall artist, you always find a place where you guys sit down and gather around and celebrate zvinenge zvaitwa nemumwe kugona muindustry. Pama rhythm ese agadzirwa na Simplex. Apa ndakubvunza iwewe nderipi rhythm rinoda apa mngoma wangu akaita justice chaiyo apa
mukureva pamaridhim akapindwa nehobo kana kuti
akangopindwa nevanhu hobo, not kuti awakapinda chete iwo awakapinda neakangopindwa nevanhu nemasingles. Which song would you say was the biggest song from Simplex? Kana which rhythm do you Skele
Skele ne wanna be atuwa yoma
wana and Windsor
Pompi.
Copa Maridim, Pompi from Freeman.
Vira Pompi.
And then Pamaridim.
I wanna be.
Definitely, I agree with you guys, man. Those songs, for me, I believe that those were the two biggest tunes to ever come out from you, Simplex. So this is what we're gonna do, Simplex. Tonight, 5 aside, Banapa. You was artist, no ponera. So Tanaman has got 5 rhythms that he's going to play, and then Windsor and Ndunge Youths. Vasharwa ma freestyle hip hop. Are you guys ready? Ndunge, are you ready?
zvavaita kusiti sports arituka
aiwa tikupinda munyaya iyoyo because toti titange taona kuti zvanga zviri zvechokwadi kana kuti zvanga zvakaplanwa because Windsor nemuridzi tongoziva kuti mahwani apa Ndunge vanongo apa vakarelaxa kapati kana apa stage vanoita nge vanakabhatani kanonzi switch it on okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 5 aside right now. 5 rhythms non-stop, back to back. No kupula, no kumisa rhythm, no ma one drop. But all these rhythms that we're gonna play, these are all rhythms that you have produced as Simplex. So the first rhythm that we're gonna start off is the school of thought rhythm, the conscious rhythm. Pinda kuma hardcore. Okay, my guy, Selector Tanaman. I know he's just setting up his things and making sure that everything's ready. Shout out to everybody who's watching live on Facebook. The likes of Wellington Chindoko, Innocent Kangoda, Jarlinks, a lot of people, as well as Blessing Havoc Jenna. Wagwan to you. Now, Ndunge, coming to you, you gave a very electrifying performance at the recent Cheapers Cup clash that was held at Harare City Sports Center. Angarma wanim dara, adunye berana. Hey, muri cage match. Anzi, vamwe vari kuti anzi ndiwo wakaenda necup.
Ndinotenda vese vanodaro.
Mama akazvironga here mudaro.
Ngatitende Mwari.
Aiwa, taura chokwadi.
Hatina chekuronga, tinorongerwa naMwari isi tochiita.
But chimbonyasondiudza feeling yekuve muCity Sports meme because mawani.
City Sports padeni ndiri padeni kana ndiri muCity Sports ndo padeni pangu ipapa ndo pandotandarira ndo pandodyira ndo pandogara kana ndiri muimomo zvinodhakwa.
And also Windsor, your performance, man, was a bomb, believe you me. I saw everybody sing along to the song word for word, every song that you did, man. People were just singing along. Ngataura nenye City Sports Center mdara. Chirimo chekuti kana mageto ezarimo mia kana mabodo na maken kashoma kukandwa. Especially when you're performing. What do you think is the main reason?
Ndinoita zvinoda vanhu. Ndiri munhu anoenda kuvanhu ndotsvakurudza kuti vanenge vachinyatsoda zvakaita sei.
Yeah man.
Saka ndinoshanda nezvido zvavo ndo zvinondipa kuti pandinomira kumberi kwevazhinji ini navo tinenge tichinzwanana. Ndinonzwisisa kuti varungu vangu ndiwaya mafanzi saka zvavanotaura nekunditsiudza nezvavanofarira ini ndokoshesa izvozvo.
Heavy. So Selector Tanaman, are you ready, my guy? Okay, so 5 rhythms non-stop. Ndotoona kuti vanhu vachoka. Very ready mdara. Mawana. This is not a competition, but this is just a way of appreciating Simplex, who has given us and entertained us for years. 5 years is not a game, believe you me. So 5 rhythms. I don't know who's gonna kick off, but Selector Tanaman, pull up the tune. Windsor, Ndunge Youths.
Yeah.
Simplex.
Ready to run things, man.
Yeah.
So,
Anonzinza wing.
Yeah, man.
Manager. Jime.
Let go.
Tipo pandakai paisa wangu pakuzomdiliva. Andaisiya chandidisi. Chandaveta chishi ndichitoenda nini. Jime. Pandakai paisa wangu pakuzomdiliva. Andaisiya chandidisi. Chandaveta chishi ndichitoenda nini. Jime. Ndiwere wangu wakundipindura mushonga kubva wakangana iwe zvataironga atichangona neyangova nyonga chime zvichindibaira mukati handikwanisi kutaura ndoringa ndiri ndega ndichingoyaura wehamawe pasa yavo ayamu chime ndipo pandakaibaisa wangu pakuzomudhiliva handaiziva chandaveta chichi ndichitoenda nini.
Officer Musande Bataband, One here tiri pakati petown.
Ndunge.
Officer tiri pamani yes. kombi katsi kachibox office ndine mukadzi nevana office ndine mukadzi nevana ndine mukadzi nevana office ndine mukadzi nevana muri yangu ndoipe vana vangu vanojei office ndine mukadzi nevana office ndine mukadzi okay officer ibva
Simplex music.
Okay, let's pick up the pace, man. Let's swing it up. Let's turn it up. Turn up.
Yeah.
Go.
Anonzinza we. Mango manager we. Tanaman. Hear this. Boro wachano. Ikati what do you mean? Kana uchite ulimbinga. Kumukadzi wako ulidinga. What do you mean? Kana uchivarisa mabawa. Uhamase mukadzi sina power. What do you mean? Kana uchite ulimambo. Sefu sina kutenga lambo. What do you mean? Dikati what do you mean? Boro wachano danza. Dikati wachano tata de maronsha tata ndo basija wakanyato watapande chisatandata. Wano pache mandata. Buliza ai watandato sika pado shata. Dikati shumba nesuronda karota ndiri kudenga mai Maria ndikatopotsa ndawapimba daiveso pamusati ndiri kupenga chinimbi yakangusha mugogo itengasi nesuronda karota ndiri kudenga mai Maria ndikatopotsa ndawapimba daiveso pa iyanesi boro wachano ndikati baba ponaro patika borona ndiwe kwandakanzwa waitaura shona iye mutumwa kuya kutomisa korona kana ouya mupechingwa neporona ishikaka ndakazosangana naMwari ufunge simbi ngamfunge rine mari vana chinimbi kudenga ndana naswari tirire mashampopo ndire kundani.
okay Nigeria kana kuti Zimbabwe Swanda kana Yemia Lede Matsanga kana Ramsnowa chuzaiwa muri kuda papo tikoona zviri pachena Ntunge na Bena Boy pachena Winza na Rudu Boy Vanchoka kana kuti Joe Boy Bazuka hakundwe na Fire Boy Pumako anokunda Mr. Easy Davido anzi tompinza busy Mark Angel kana kuti Varazipi zvamuri kutaura mese apa ndezvipi mukuita noise ndakupinda DP Mbare kana kuti Lagos Hopli kana Abuja Street Zimdora redu hari kundwe na Manaira Jerryman anorova mapenha no need yapato ranking gaya tina colors tina kina kana iyo mkoma big man ko ndiri kuchema ndikuti popcorn imi pamodaro takutoda pop 10 gaya mauya muchiti mukuda Billyman change mpaka takutoda Freeman Nigeria kana kuti Zimbabwe Spanga kana Yemia Lete Matsanga kana Ramsnowa
Boro wachano you got that thing I know. Boro wachano tiwe wandichapa mailo Boro wachano you got that thing I know baby.
You got it.
Yeah tiwe wandichapa mailo Boro wachano danza you got it baby you me love baby you me friend just give me love don't wanna pretend Pauli yake ndipendi ndogona kutende ukwakutoita ripendi niyakupenda mutima wanga anokupuma ziva nyaka ngokukuma ndinoburitsa banga chimenji you got that thing I know.
When I'm ready, young youth, let's switch it up, turn it up. 5 for side, right your style. I'm sounding good all the time. Zimdancehall Overdrive. Don't get when I'm ready.
Okay. Tunyatko pa ghetto pangu naika.
Let's go.
Gopo vakapinza foni vakazi vachifonera vari Joni zvikanzi muzukuru grocery ndakariona but wakakanganwa chinhuwani mafuta ekubleacha mafuta ekubleacha muzukuru mafuta ekubleacha dai wanditumira mafuta ekubleacha wazodhipa mafuta ekubleacha mafuta ekubleacha muzukuru mafuta ekubleacha dai wanditumira mafuta eku zvikanzi grocery renyu ndakutumira bheki manje rinotosvika jobeki harisi chinhu usina beta so tiprizona kana pidigani greko ndikableacha zvinospaka ndonofairira vanhu kubhesi takatyorera zvedu nemarasta winza
chimen shumba ndikati Mbale
5 for side.
ndikati Simplex boro wachano kunza kunjenje kana amunenza anondokuudza kuti ndiri nindatunza kuti uri ngwambi unge ndambogunza ndonato mugaga kawatana tsvanja paye tatovhura ngozi ngotanzwa chitema chiti ngoma tikotedzana toropito mubva kune vasikana mirishito nhasi tikufara nyumbwe basi nyumbwe tiri kundofara munalo magunzi nhasi ndine mbinga ndoreva unzi Nyumbwe. Yes.
Nyumbwe. Okay. Okay. Let it go. Another rhythm. Strictly some simplest rhythm we're dropping right now. Don't get one already. Okay. Goso.
Zvakaitika zvanga zviri vicious. Ndakarowa nemudumbu uri dangerous. Ndiri padzeni gaya, hapana vhati ndiri kuambuya ma1 atotanga ndakangoti ndori nhonga here. Ndori isa muhomwe here. Ko, ari nuhere. Ndori siya riri basi here. Ndori nhonga here. Tauru, ndori isa muhomwe here. Tauru, ari nuhere. Tauru, ndori isa.
Wachano akanyare katembere mini kachienda kutembere iwe kakapenga usaterere kanu roba smartis matangale kunzi ambuya nini amusodi mamunu mkuru musapoti makundi pakali katsodi but masiwona kutote andimbodi
Zvina motosiya takushedza mapurisa mambuya imimi muri kutongoti makisa kukutibika ipanhamo haisi passport yekuba panhamo kozi makaba mombe yese kwamai Georgina 30 makabeji kumba kwamai Roslina mune shuwa kuba zvisukiso tiri bhizi kuchema muchiba zvikorobo imi ndezvekuchema here ndezvekuchema here zvitiri zvekuchema here nai anambuya tiri tese here ameno abva kutoilet asiya atibira sipo yekugezesa madzimai madhipisa ndipe ifoni nhamba ndimbobata mapurisa mabachitini chemugodi ndasuspecta apa pakatogara mapepi sek endai kurodhi munochemera ikoko bhai padhuze nepoti
chichimetena
Last rhythm.
Listen, Pachano, kakanditi winza, ndilikuta chicken in, usati be winza, kune pekas in, takuyenda padene kune fish in, Pachano danza, kakanditi winza, ndilipa menstrual cycle. Ndilipa menstrual cycle. Iwe, wakutaura menstrual cycle, mapeka nema chips wangu wa majireto. Menstrual cycle. Ndilipa menstrual cycle. Iwe, wakutaura menstrual cycle, mapeka nema chips wangu. Anzi wandua marima sololo. Dak wotitololo. Nilipe, wotinonono. Pachano danza making.
Ngati nazo nyumbani machawiriri. Usiyata kutsemura mpindi. Kukara zamantiri.
Siya uchibuka masiriri.
Olan, man, Olan.
Simplex music.
My way. Menstrual cycle. 5 years he's been in the game and we're celebrating him tonight, man. All the rhythms that we played, these are all rhythms, real topper expensive rhythms that were produced by Simplex, aka Simbarashe Moyen. Big shout out to his partner in crime, Blessing Manzwana, aka Crispy, Yemen, and also the Outer Road family. They all make up the Simplex music, man. Simplex, how do you survive with my jokes? You know, I don't want to about my gimdara. I am a basano siana for you. No wonder why I'm doing it. And so pano imonya rasta ono ba monya ne brain mdara muno ma monya ne brain ere because the anzindori nongere riko ramne mshtaura tada unzwisisa
tauro rakadona njigiza saka ndori nhonga ndori siya saka 3 kafuka ndichifunga kuti what can I do.
But you tauro wagara unofana uri nhonga because unofana upukuta ka unless uri kuti utobuda futi usina upukuta
chinzwa manje nezvakiitika manje nezvekuti ndezveipapo
ndezvechi
zviitika ndezveipapo zakudotisiwa zveipapo
Mawana. Yeah man. So do you have any plans for your celebration for the 5th anniversary? Do you have anywhere that you might be thinking of celebrating? Because we definitely need a party and people need to be somewhere, you know.
Yeah man, yeah. Pade patino tandala mangwana. Yeah, so Saturday, not mangwana. Saturday. Tungono tandala papo pa Glenview 1 pa Weras.
Heavy. But right now, Simplex, I know Windsor and Ndunga Youth, a lot of people would actually like to speak to you in person. So this is what we're going to do. I've got Simplex, I've got Ndunga, and I also have Windsor. I need you to come through and call us on 0772-162-651 so that you can speak to the superstars who are in the house tonight. Star FM Wagwan.
Oh, DJ Mbale.
What do you say, Mko Wangu?
Dribo.
Magano Tara na wako mana.
Yeah, Ndungera wiza madi.
Zviri sei chibaba icho?
Chef.
Wagwani maboy.
Aiwa izi. Kuri sei kwamuri mama?
Aiwa muritaura na talent soka pachitaoni makanyanya boys hakuna mkoma simplex sawa.
Yama respect chibaba.
Mkoma makaipa.
Yama thanks chibaba. Tutenda imene kutsigiro renyi.
Irbo DJ Mbale.
Thank you so much, my guy. Thank you so much. 0772 162 651. I need you to call me on those numbers so that you can speak to Windsor. You can speak to Ndunge Youth as well as Simplex. They are in the studio with me right now. Star FM, hello.
Hello DJ Mbale.
Zamira same koma.
Aiwa ndinofara zvangu.
Ndokumira mutare nama artist.
Ya Dungi.
Ngoma mangazimba here.
Muita seko baba.
Aiwa ndiri mutsvene Mwari wenyu ari kundichengeta.
Ndikunzwa kana Windsor ari kusmaila.
Chatisina nungo kuratidza mazino pachena mambo.
Sure baba. Big up Simplex.
Thanks chibaba.
Raymond Stepperford Mount Upton.
Thank you so much Raymond and Stepperford. Amuna nungo yekurakidza mazino ere nda. Unge akachena.
Chete mambo.
Star FM, hello.
Hello DJ.
Zviri sei mukoma wangu?
Munofara DJ.
Ye Vitaura ine vakomana.
Ndunge
Mukuru makasimba here nhasi.
munofara.
Aiwa ndiri mutano mukuru musende nhamba dzenyu ndikusendereiko keshi.
Madiki.
Muzondisendera nhamba dzenyu ndozokusendereiko keshi mungo kuti mumbodya pa weekend ka 10 nawo.
Kasuri wazere bozo wafona netwane.
Aiwa ndangofara approach yawo.
Bola babalula.
Baba icho.
Muita se babalula.
Aiwa ndiri mutano zvangu amino mimi.
Anjani ndizawi.
Mango manager we.
Mango manager.
Vira mambo.
Simple tadi ndipo sawi.
Chibaba madi.
Boye DJ Mbale.
Tinofara, munofara.
Ndinofara ndinoitwa praise muchizi.
Aiwa tinotenda chibaba. Aiwa ramba muchititsi.
Ndinokufundisa masiara bena kazwanya.
Anditi ka muramba muchimira oneso chibaba.
Heavy, thank you so much, my guy. I'm only going to take the last two callers. So call us right now, 0772 162 651. If you check our time, it is exactly 10 o'clock. Spot on the dot. Star FM, hello.
Hello, Windsor, makomando Windsor.
Mambo.
Mudasa ko Windsor.
Aiwa, Windsor watanu. Kwakadiko.
Ariseko give more ndoyo.
Tinaye pano give more.
Give ndiyo.
Enough respect na Simplex. Nonsitatenda pachita na big up DJ Mbale.
Heavy mkoma wangu maspaka.
Heavy.
Sharp. Okay, let's take the last caller. 0772 162 651. That's the number for you to dial. So call us right now so that you can speak to the guys in the studio right now. We're celebrating 5 years of Simplex producing music within the dancehall industry. Radio, hello.
Hello.
Zuri say baba.
Yes, DJ Mbale.
Zamira say.
Wagwani. Boze kuri seta utamzare.
Yevi, tare na wakoma na mkoma wangu.
Last caller, yo Windsor.
Chibaba icho. Oyo. Baba icho.
Yeah man.
Vira.
Thank you so much, Mtulisi. Mawan, I like the energy. Thank you so much, Mtulisi, all the way from Tari. Shout out to Jake Soscone. Shout out to everybody who's watching live on Facebook. Windsor, not Windsor, Simplex. But why was not getting my baby? I'm also producer my baby.
Man, I'm my baby. Change the way I show rhythm. I'll be glad rhythm. You want surprise.
What's the name of the brand new rhythm that you brought for us?
Memberero rhythm.
Memberero rhythm. I've seen a lot of videos that you've been posting on your social media platforms. So it's the rhythm Radshabudana.
Right, no rhythm Radshabudana, but the rhythm will be racing next week. so apa tombodi celebrate chichinzwa kuti zvifamba sei right next week ndo panozowanikwa rhythm rese party. So far so good, pane zviripo zvamavigirwa zvatakuda kunzwisai
heavy. But rhythm rimwe racho richasemblwa musi Saturday kwaWedas to Glenview.
Obviously ndo saka rimhemberero ka
heavy. So 5 years and they've got a brand new rhythm that's called the Mbale rhythm that they're gonna be dropping this coming Saturday kwaWedas ku Glenview. One uko anza anenge ari mawana kunenge kwakatsvuka kunenge nema artists ese achizomhanya futi pa rhythm ipapo. So you know what, Simplex Music, thank you so much for coming to the studio. But before you go, a lot of people would like to know kuti anobatika kupi Simplex kana kugadzirwa ma rhythm nekugadzirwa ngoma dzedu from social media straight up to the calling and booking numbers.
Alright, Simplex Music tobatika pa number the phone is 0777 090 083 0777 090 083 ndo number zibasa. Then tuenda pa Facebook Simplex Music ZW CYMPLEX ndo spelling yacho. Tuenda pa Instagram Simplex Music ZW, same as Twitter Simplex Music ZW, YouTube Simplex Music ZW. Do panowana music my updates on pa Instagram and pa Facebook page Radio Simplex Music. Don't forget to follow and like our page.
And also the phone numbers
0777 090 083
0777 090 083 0777 090 083. It's easy to catch. Mkomandunge, I know you've got a lot of new stuff that you're working on. Anything new that we should expect? Maviri matatu arutera
ndizozo kuda kuti ndikande majoka ne andichabuditsa ipapapa akati wandei.
Okay,
saka vanhu gangu expect the unexpected.
Okay, and where can people find you from social media to the booking numbers?
Right, pa social media mungendo pa Instagram mungono ndisira message it's Ndunge Youth Official 10. Wendo pa Facebook futi it's Ndunge Youth Official 10. Asi kune vamwe vasingatambiriko kwanda kuti bata direct pa phone call. Ndipanda kuti mukandibata pa 0712 164 144 0712 164 144 0712 164 144. Vakandijuma ipapa inga WhatsApp inga chi tubatika ipapa ndo pavanongo nditi kwa
heavy. Mkoman Zoe, the brand new album
Soro Jena
is already out.
Ndizvo mambo.
And people are loving it, man. I saw the numbers on social media. Well done for that. But vanhu vokubata ipapi
vanhu vanokwanisa kundibata pa Facebook Real Windsor Maintainer, pa Instagram Real Windsor Maintainer zvakare murunare 0787373811 topamazve 0787373811 ndopanenge pakazororera mukomana wenjyaringo ukatibata ipapa iwa tinotandara
mukomana wechimgoma
wenjyaringo.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Windsor together with Ndunge Youth and also Simplex. Man, Simplex is celebrating 5 years of making good music in the music industry. They're saying, no, look, I will be celebrating with a lot of artists, including myself, DJ Mbale. I will be there by GV1.
Yeah, man, respect Mbale.
Tanaman angachitanzi anonkunda kuridza ka. Saka tunotunedzana masimba.
But zvinozoitika zvekuti mukoma ndi mukoma azichinja.
Aiwa kanikunda tomudzinga pasho. Waizia angoni nyudza chero ndomunyudzawo andingafendeka kamda. So introducing the fresh and brand new rhythm exclusively right here Star FM Zimdancehall Overdrive, your number one station in the land. Star FM, let's go. Mbale rhythm, let's kick out.
Hey, hey, yeah. Pick up pizza dollar. Hey, hey. Simplex. Jiri kutanga se shisha. Dini no maratita umesha. Nino maratita GNF. Awamwe bari kuti mwari vanefefa. Simba apika ngoma ntini ndori mpanya se mchova. Wimba kubasa mzandika nde kumarova. Unotiri kutete na maria takangwava. Ande sorore kuswika ke muranzi ofa. Natoka se tabuka. Summertime ichipisa na chamuka. Obo shinguma shinu fire na karuka. Kwa tino tambira vese vekita na chamuka. Mafesa anoruta. Maingo nonga nyama nisa tina kuta. Sa Chinoburitsa mabia tailuta chimemberero chinoda nichiukukuta ari kukunza muviri aiwa ndiripo ine ndinovaremera kunge sando yako long time matsaka chinondibata soft touch ine ndinovafarira to twinte kuchikin chine intakula vana vatamidemavafanta muturula andakapinda kaona
chimotentunke hello baby ende wauyandani umoriyani kana kushedza kangani sha inswaini makachena maini skedera ipapapa inswaini ngatitambe akaida
What?
akaida
Yeah?
akaida
What's that?
iwewe ndeni ngatitambe akaida
What?
akaida
Yeah?
akaida iwewe ndeni
Timbiritsi kwidi munotaire nzira timi munotarisa patinoraramira tokumbira isu ukati sina matyira chimene kuwai masusu nditende zimura kwangu rakandipa ufimi ero kuwasungu vanotaura ndimi kunzindiri panyati pamunonunura ndimi kaiveka mberevere ava marimasi zimura kwangu rakandipa ufimi ero kuwasungu vanotaura ndimi kunzindiri panyati pamunonunura ndimi kaiveka mberevere ava marembere munotaire nzira kana tiri hondo ndimikamtindirwira yeya unzi mkurumbira doro wakuswinyi kandisina matyira ndotenda kumasekuru makati ndiende ndigozosha topinda musango hondo ina mamba chimwe chacho chirungu chatinyola unzi upenyu mnyoma vasekavaka
savesefisi nakarova poches naimwari mbiyadzo inombopepi mufundisi vandiudza nonsense chikanzi shamwari sumuka uri kudei pamberi pekereke vachindeti ukude ndakaita chitsoka ndereke ndakutaimira kudei vakanditi ukutambisa fese kupawa vakandidzinga mchechi 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 ndanga ndakachukiridza fomari chikanzi inenge yefomari uda kutambisa fese yekundari uchida kuya nayo kutembe ndiniona mikisamatiza kuda kuita kuraza masese uda kunyanyira utapidza ndaoneswa uchirwira masese.
This is Christ, and before that I played you Winds. It's a brand new rhythm, it's called the Mbale Rhythm. So in a couple of minutes I will be talking to DJ Fidel. It is 10 minutes past 10 on Star FM, sounding good all the time, man. It's got a brand new rhythm that's called the Heart of Emotions rhythm, but this one is called the Mbale Rhythm. A big bad rhythm, believe you me. Shout out to everybody who's watching on social media, Mangungu TV Facebook page, as well as the Star FM Facebook page, man. Marcus,
akamboteketa chigunduru pavakazopinda mubaruku vanga vave madisaipuru atikara kwadiye takasvuta kaya chimota zvitsetsva dakapfudza kaya mari yemashopa aipura chimwaya achingodzoka yese vaijoidhaya
mfana azvipira kuimba chokwadi uyu Marcus. Shout out to you, Marcus, man.
kana kuti vakambopfumira pakuti rinopedza dauno
I think we need to play it in the next hour as well, because this is a big tune and it's got a very powerful message, man. Not to disrespect the late dancehall artist, no. Introducing and the whistle.
Nice and
sexy. I want to get back to Chico, you were sexy. Did I want to be Chico, nice and sexy. Papa, MSU, my streets, Pacapa, boy, but Pacapani. Both just leave me what I pet as you need. Sana Carlos Green, I put us on the slits. Diamond, Dinamo, Punta, Chico, the Chanito, Punta. Dance out, Doctor Thomas Shirt, and the Timur, and with a passy makes it up. What else? Fighting the Kaputa.
Mr. Tension.
Sigatonas in the village. Pimpa, imagine. Apocati, Mamma, Casleti. Mighty come kwete, my katisa, mighty come bembe. I see, why move back?
I'm a German of a puller. Believe you me, every time that Mr. Tension jumps on the rhythm, my one. But I noticed something. I think he also needs to do a collaboration with Endemurizo. Listen to this.
Simplex music. Well done, Dara Jazin. Well done.
Watch it. Go so. And
fighting the Kaputa, having techi. I can't see get on us in the village. And I got pimpa, imagine. Apocati, Mamma, Casleti. Mighty come kwete, my katisa, mighty come bembe. I move back, makene makukanya ngene wese. Wanoka sona. Simbo, zuwari bude, zuwari doke. Wanoka soma, kashmoko kakuneta areas mana. Pombi nini neto lingari kupambura matsa kaimbo mdadira iwe. Crispy and the kukupaiza vai musema. Aneko nanti, asana sivo mpika bachi muti munandi. Aine takaranta mpi vai muti bam. Nasiva sozi wona ama wambi murambi. Na wanyane. Mighty come kwete, my katisa, mighty come bembe. Asi, vai mube.
Give me the last artist for this rhythm. Fresh acid.
Simplex music.
Star FM sounding good all the time. 14 minutes past 10. Shout out to everybody. I got it. Nana Mamoyo, Anna Chiera, whatever totem that your mom is. Shout out to her. Zero 775-897-897. That is the WhatsApp platform, man. I need you to drop your names so that I can give you some shout outs right there. So, and yeah, man, others who are watching on Facebook, just make sure that you comment. You write your name within the comment section so that I can say what I want to you. The likes of Verity, Leo Kativu, Padon Muchiwa, Vusa Sbanda, Anthony P. Mande Pandeuni, Nobet Kamonera. Shout out to you, and also Kudakwasha Dawson Shumba. And I want to say happy birthday to Anta Tirivangasi. Happy birthday to you, my youth, my brother from another mother. Definitely. Shout out to you, my guy. Okay, my shout outs, let them come through. Shout out to Tinotenda Gandaja as well as Rumbidzai Achavunduka, and also Trinus Mukomba Chota, Kevin Chiduza, God knows Govete. Shout out to Jax's Corner, shout out to Tekers Ray Nyale, like him and Jube Gesabagwan, big up yourself, Oliver Konza, TK Machisa, and also Kudakwash. Shout out to you, guy. Nevson Jamiraze, and also David Lovo. Shout out to you, guy. And also not forgetting Mishak Mayanzani said, yeah, man, America, but McDaniel. One Robbie Sawyer Town Simbindo Shawa. Shout out to you, and also Robbie Sawyer. Shout out to Sparo, my computer. Shout out to Christian Enaro, my computer. Yeah, man. And also Grace Mubai, Devante, the Ginger Desert Extension, Kelvin Mava, Kurakwashi Chigurare, and also shout out to Clive and Outer Glenview, One Way Mutupira, Shupikai Ghanaian, Beatrice, Tanasha Guvuzi. Wagwan to you. Tawanda Atford Machinga out all the way in Fidelity, Southview Park. Wagwan brethren. Yeah, man. Keep them coming. And also on Twitter. You can even tag me on Twitter. Can I join us when you're out? And shout out. Everybody on Twitter at DJ Mbale Official. Shout out to Spice Lingerie Bagwan. And also King Kunta Magumbo Wacho. Shout out to you. Shout out to Swat Chivasa. Shout out to Tinonaka at Tinonaka. And also Love Moch Malilo. Wagwan Elder. Long time. I'm so about to come around. Fresh Monyo. For Alex, Wagwan Chimdara, big up yourself, yeah. And also shout out to Winston Tatenda. Not forgetting the one called Malcolm at Painful for Real. Shout out to you, my guy. Wellington's Galkepa Norton, and Deeper if it is my divine Tatenda Wacheoka, and also special mention to Martin Chibanda in Highlands, Asija, Prosper Warren Parker, Assistant Inspector Jova, shout out to you, as well as Inspector Chakanza, shout out to you. Yemal Subaba Iso, Super Podcast Iso. Thank you. A big chamber from Headcliff, arranges my DJ Easy, Patrick Mavaz, Automaronda Fidel, Baba Jordan from Southly Park, shout out to you guys. And everybody's coming through on a WhatsApp platform, yeah. I think the network is a bit Myers because it's moving too slow. DJ Mbale and also 45 in Avondale, shout out to you. You know, so earlier on today, in times that I pinned that one as a Tanaman, they, pa Chico, nature pa townhouse, pa. You know, the house here, city country here. It's a Cleveland. I'm forgetting the right name, but nature papo. Nature pa Copacabana, papa. Lately, my street kids, I really don't like to use the name street kid. I feel like it's offensive, but I don't have any choice. I don't want to say it's Gunduru, so let me just use street kids. It sound a bit light and polite, yeah. So my street kids anga area papa net samdara. I remember my little sister Tam Tam last night. So earlier today I saw the police were doing a very good job by chasing those guys away. They had to, put them drunk by an hour chi. It's a sad situation, but at the same time I think the ZRP was like, let's take a bold decision and remove these people from the streets because they've been harassing a lot of people. So shout out to the ZRP. But one of the major things that I wanted to say is to put the blame on parents. We're living in a time where a lot of parents no longer have the time to sit down with their kids. We're living in a time especially summertime, ask it as ask and those streets it's not because not because they're being abused, but some of them because you know what, they feel like they're lacking the proper love that they need. So as a parent, you need to sit down with your child. You need to sit down with your child and ask the child, then you need to find a way. But the sad part about that incident that I saw today, I've got the video. The sad part, then pass on mwana kutorowa kupinzwa mutrabhozi police abana parichasiya kamwana kachecheka. They need to take the child to the social welfare so that mwana no wanna care nani. The mother came back and now she was being violent and all. Askana da kutaura chinowana. Ndinoita nonzi Lovers Connection musi Saturday. Ndoita Zimdancehall Overdrive. Ndopinda ma-streets nchiona nyaya dzakasiyana siyana. I don't know kuti uchazviona sei uchazviita sei. Ukaona uri munhu wechisikana uri kumirira kuti mumwe munhu akuroore kuti life yako iite nani. Auri dofo. Ndizvo ndoda kuudza uri dofo. Aunombosiyana nemunhu ari kumakuva because it's as good as you know nothing about life. Life yatakurarama ichada kuti umirire kuti uzoroorwa na my brother Tony Ray. Kuti azokukanda pakitchen kuti life yako iite bo. Shout out to Tony Ray, man. He always makes me look good on social media, on the Facebook Live, yeah. You need to find something to do. It's not only education is the way out. You know, I need to say this. Girls, you need to find something to do. Chinokupa mari, marana ariko, mabroira ariko, Christmas yapa duzo katango chengeta huku izozvi. By the time you know like Christmas nengone something. Takupinda summer mafreezes and don't know what they'll tengesa anofamba. But they don't want to tengesa 3 my kids chao. Mauya ariko, nanobika mauyu tengese mrodu. Mabotika ari kuvhurwa. Inotsvaka basa mabotika. Zvakawanda zvekuitwa. Because the situation is not right, the situation is not conducive, especially in this time that we're living in, man. Half the time, the boys are blame ones. Boys, that's what I saw. Yeah, that's what I saw. Don't put yourself in compromising situations all because of love and lie to yourself without this love. No. We're living in a time where we're talking about gender equality, meaning to say every opportunity and every access that a man has, a woman has also. So ladies, parents, I'm asking you, I'm begging, I'm pleading you. Pango pacho story nanuka tonono mwana ungane chanogona ona zvechikoro zvikunetsa kana wangompa mari yestart uinvest mune zvaanogona muendese kupoli muendese kwagaza ukwaswere nana makanika kana kuglenview aswere nemacarpenter. They might learn a thing or two even ari musikana, you know, because hey, the situation is getting out of hand, believe you me. So please, parents, take good care of your little girls, take good care of your little boys, man. Sit down with them. Atistese takasikwa nzitigone uchikoro. Otherwise vazhinji vedu uchikoro zvaitonetsa. Inini uchikoro radza nemwe musikana notaura zita rake ritsana mani. Mwana anga ari dofo ye. Anga ari dofo. Takasvika kana grade 7 unoziya. Zvaitonetsa mudhara tandautoti grade 7 taitodembodai apfekedzwa pampa. Because kana mvura ingozvirasira. But right now ukamuona munhu iye mudhara ndofunga kana kuti nini ndiri dofo. So there's no company that can employ me, but the best thing that I can do is to start my own business. Now imbinga nemari dzake, famba nemajago ake. So sometimes it's not about the education, but it's all about the mindset. You need to train your mindset. Semunhu musikana inetsandawanikwa reke nditanga mbozviitira zvinhu zvangu. Same applies for the boys, yeah. But anyway, same way still. Shout out to everybody that's coming on my Twitter handle at DJ Mbale Official at Star FM Zimbabwe. That's a blessing Masunungure as well as Tino Tenda Joao at Masasa Park. And also shout out to you, Justice Kilos at Justice Kilos. Jonas Tole, shout out to you guys. I see you as well. And also Winston Tatenda Mzanenamo. Shout out to you, my guy. And also Katie Boss One. Shout out to you. I see you on Twitter. Okay, moving on with Zimdancehall. We got a whole heap of fresh new tunes, man. We got a whole heap of fresh new tunes. Recently, there's a brand new rhythm called The Hard Emotions, produced by DJ Fidel, that has been trending also on social media. And also, we also have a brand new exclusive tune from Babatwa Jehovah together with Soul Jala, produced by Team in Mount Zion. Okay, let's sample it right now. It's a brand new tune. I listened to the Breakfast Club with Nikki and Effie Jones as well as Saki Grace when they were sampling this one at the Breakfast Club, and I must say the ratings were so low. And I agree with the presenters, man. I agree with them totally. The Breakfast Club. Zimdancehall Overdrive. This one's called Unbetter Power. Let it go. Ande. Obama stress, put it better weight. Zimu dresse kwa uli ajisi right. Makona esimlinge kulipa tight. Nekuti marabera. Bange bajitongo kuti wapera. Mote baba kuchitira. Banorma machifuritira. Asi andi pere power. Chipo chanda kapua. Simbare mashua. Munosiwa ndine power. Inpe nisaka musale kunditerera. Waishimira diko tokera kwa ndeka tangira. Satani ndaikuona chininyangira. Waila kuti ndisaepe kunyarira. Ngatambushika. Say why I gotta sika. Utsinze rukumfurika. Asingatenda upegiwo. Uripo ingot. I'm a survivor. A true believer. Let's wheel it up one more time, man. He might be gone, but his music lives on. 26 minutes past on Star FM, sounding good all the time. This one's called Unbetter Power. Labatwa Jehovah together with Soldier Love. Ding, 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 ding.
pera wait zvinhu zvese kwauri azvisi right vakona ese munenge uri pataiti nekuti marabhera vamwe vachitongo kuti wapera moto baba vakuchidzira vanoruma vachifuridzira asi handipere pawa chipo chandakapuwa simba remashuwa munoziva ndine pawa imupeimisaka musade kunditerera vaishivira ndikodzokera kwandakatangira satani ndaikuona chindinyangira waida kuti ndichaepe kunyarira ungatambudzika sewaiyakarasika utsinzi rukufurika asi ngatenda upenyiwo uripo ingoti I'm a survivor, a true believer. My ups and downs, but ngatenda upenyiwo uripo namone matambudziko urwesano nawo zambuko asi ndangoti ngatenda upenyiwo uripo vanonitia ndisvike vanodanirasike vanonditirombe ngatenda upenyiwo uripo abafesi yakerilo santi nangevaka kupikisa vachida kukumakisa chakaipa msade kuchinakisa kune vamwe zosokesa zitamosvibisa upenya utengeke kurazitengeke samari yazikundike ndarwara vachiti handimuke nange mukati ndapera handisigorera kapera toramba ndichingouya segore rinouya ngatandusi sewaiyakarasika utsinzi rukufurika asi ngatenda upenyiwo uripo ingoti I'm a survivor, a true believer. My ups and downs, but ngatenda upenyiwo uripo namone matambudziko urwesano nawo zambuko asi ndangoti ngatenda upenyiwo uripo vanonitia ndisvike.
It is a big tune. It is a big tune, definitely. But it is a big tune with a problem. I didn't like the production, honestly. I feel like this is poor production, to be honest with you. I think people are just taking advantage of the songs that Soulja Love recorded before he passed away, man. It's a very... It's a very good chorus from Ababatu Jehovah. But I know, but just being honest, man. All the songs that have been released after Soulja Love was gone, all the collaborations that have been released, man, they've been poor. Honestly, they've really been poor. All of them. I'm gonna say it wholeheartedly. They've been poor. Definitely something. I think when I've known so got a pass, so nema acapella sauraya. Vasango manongo tora begi. And I'm gonna mirror mbiri. Because I'm gonna tell them, do you think I'm right? Sanama says I don't want to speak. I just want to remain neutral and remain safe. You are not safe at all. A shout out to you, my Muno from Mashingo. But moving on with some dancehall tunes. That was the remix of the Fire Emoji. There was the remix of the Fire Emoji, and we're gonna drop the part where the chorus and where Natio killed it. So we need to drop the part where Natio killed it. I'm not so sure about your take on that one, but listen to this. Intro. Pull up that one, yeah. Shout out to Leo Magos, man. That's a big tune.
I do it for the new generation, dog. The food on my toes international. All the ghost fire, press fire, ABX and the last fist, that's revelation.
Pull up that one, yeah. My goodness me. We only gonna play the part where not to what it was. Played it. Hey, y'all.
Yeah, I do it for the new generation, dog. The food on my toes international. All the ghost fire, press fire, ABX and the last fist, that's revelation. In the good time, I used like Tupac Shakur, I'm a done for the nation. Here comes sick, savior, man, we listen to big cat. Let's ever go louder, louder, I don't give up. Jungles in a judge, some sandy tangle. Ding, 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 ding,
Fire!
Yeah, I do it for the new generation, dog. The food on my toes international. All the ghost fire, press fire, ABX and the last fist, that's revelation. I used like Tupac Shakur, I'm a done for the nation. Here comes sick, savior, man, we listen to big cat. Let's ever go louder, louder, I don't give up. Jungles in a judge, some sandy tangle. 4 years Pacifica, was so one I go buy, I'm a tune. One I go buy, I'm a tune.
My one, man. You gotta agree with me that Natio killed it on that one, man. I love the production of that one, man. Shout out to Leo Mango, shout out to Mushroom, shout out to DJ Tamuka, shout out to Pablo, shout out to the Holiday Mushroom family. 26 minutes before we get to 11 o'clock on your number one station, Star FM, sounding good all the time. We've got Holy Fresh new tunes and Selector Tanaman is about to drop some of them tunes, man. Drop it for everybody's tuning in right now. Where's it, Tanaman? Somebody say easy.
Easy. Ayo, batukona tichi wangu daga. Ukapikisana zoshwa nemablazi yokudaro ka. Uye ndo mperi boss yakaonde anokachikulaina ndo inokuendesa chi. Saka hapana.
Well.
Talk your vibes. Chama kwangu. Chicken chama.
Ndakavaudza pana. Ndokuvaudza vapana vanogara vachipikisa. Ndakavaudza vapana, ndakavachuna pana. Ndokuvaudza vapana vanogara vachipikisa. Ndikandisosha umicha utobuditsa ndakumanya nemuinja. Chera chikomba ugare wapita depression isati yasvika. Welcome to the dancehall segment. Vamwe votifonera management, vamwe vakubuditsa to my engagement. Mberi kwevanhu zvichamakisa. Ameno ikoko ana koko ana doko zichiri pwere asi kuwanza umboko. Inga ma-iPhone acho akazotengwawo. Ndachinja mpaka ingoma ichichipaka maka. Ndakubvunza ichichikwa kumaka. Makachaira kungopikisa. Ndakavaudza vapana, ndombovaudza vapana vanogara vachipikisa. Ndakavaudza vapana, ndakavachuna pana, ndombovaudza vapana vanogara vachipikisa. Masikoma akachisiva zvinhu zvekupublisha, zvimwe imeji zvinotanisha, makubuda nanatanisha, zvinhu ndakatya marasha. Usazochema nemunhu mangwana, musazotema nevanhu mangwana. Ndachinja mpaka ingoma ichichipaka maka. Ndakubvunza ichichikwa kumaka. Makachaira kungopikisa. Ndakavaudza vapana, ndakavaudza vapana, ndombovaudza vapana vanogara vachipikisa.
I mean, I must say, the 36th album, man, I haven't finished listening to it, the mixtape, the Chicken Chama from Toki Vibes, and this one is called Ndakava Uza Fana. They don't want to listen to the elders. They just want to think that they know everything, man. Tanaman, give me the next shoot. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, yo.
You went in a cell and butter. Better but not tamba my one. Baby, a dance champion. Watch you now.
We love the tune, man. He's a legend in dancehall. This is Sniper Storm, the Soldier, Donnie, Donald, Castle.
You went in a cell and butter.
Yeah, man.
Star FM. Baby, a dance champion. Watch you now. From head to toe, it's a spark up my disco.
Shout out to you, my proud Sam Talker, all the way in Lesotho. I saw there's been a talker that was posted by Holiton saying no Zimdancehall I guess the last weekend proved it all, man. Zimdancehall is for the ghetto youth. What is the problem here? Hip hop and they do fun guns, something, but the honest truth, man, is I found something. And the worst part is a fun of tikaenda bizwa atikwanise kuwainirwa saka apana pamnombo vamakaita konka dancehall. No, never. The only dancehall artist, the only hip hop artist I've got so much respect for, I told you, is T-Guns. Let me give you my top 3 hip hop artists from the respecters of that. T-Guns, Stana, and J Brown. Of course, kuna wonder we don't know, but our 3 are not respecters of that. T-Guns, Stana, and J Brown. When it comes to dancehall and hip hop, these guys, they don't even say a lot of things, man, because they got so much respect for all the genre. You see, so recently there was an event where there was an event that happened. You know, there was the Zimdancehall Cup Clash, and then there was our piano festival, hip hop. As known as Obuda, I found out hip hop, they don't support their own. They don't support their own. I can't believe the turnout, man. They don't support their own. You know, they believe that we can listen to hip hop. My phone's ready, you know, and then I'm aware, you know. Dancehall, we support each other because dancehall, it's a reflection of the ghetto. The music and Zimdancehall is truly a complete reflection of where we come from, the life that we live, the stories that we write. They're all portrayed in the genre called Zimdancehall. This is why it was full house at the Harare City Sports Center. So it's one of the major things that we're going to be zooming in a couple of minutes. But right now we proceed with Zimdancehall Overdrive, yeah? Shout out to the Tendo Chareka and everybody tuned in FM. What a thing! Gentlemen, play the next tune! My 9. Why I say my 9?
kuma WhatsApp status. Daily well spending, WhatsApp status. Currency wati, WhatsApp status. Lemut 0%, WhatsApp status. Hey, Muhammad Yan kuma WhatsApp status. Guys, I'm craving for shisha, WhatsApp status. Guys, I'm craving for pizza, WhatsApp status. Yazi landa kuya shisha, WhatsApp status. Hey, bafana bazongena engozini. Ayibona musa wazini, fana kanjo fini limbuzelo zini. Alezinto zisegazini. Intaba yekalita songebele. Imiziki nayikambele ngelele. Amnang lipoza vele, ayinat batele nguleke tupele. Kelesile stapala hiti. Ozotova giti. Nayi kolanga mahiti. Sesinga kwalisa White City. Uhamba njani kuma WhatsApp status. Daily well spending, WhatsApp status. Karati wati, WhatsApp status. Lemut 0%, WhatsApp status. Hey, uhamba njani kuma WhatsApp status. Guys, I'm craving for shisha, WhatsApp status. Guys, I'm craving for pizza, WhatsApp status. Yazi landa kuya shisha, WhatsApp status. Hey.
Introducing another big artist in dancehall. I think we need to have him separately on the show. We've had him before. His name is King Tom. Now introducing this one that is called Kuzama Kumanya. Listen to this. Produced at Fireball Records, Ras Shine and Links behind the production of this one. King Tom, Kuzama Kumanya, Kombiro President.
Zimekuwa zinondiomera asingasi unonda kumbozipupura ndazama ukubatanidza ndichituti undaunganidza varipo vanondiserereza pane zvandinoita vachingoda kundinyudza asi andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure manje havafe vandibata nekuti mwari wangu vati ndichasvika kure inzwa kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure.
His name is King Tom, aka Gombiro President. Shout to high for him, Shamkuru. God up.
Zimekuwa zinondiomera asingasi unonda kumbozipupura ndazama ukubatanidza ndichituti undaunganidza varipo vanondiserereza pane zvandinoita vachingoda kundinyudza asi andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure manje havafe vandibata nekuti mwari wangu vati ndichasvika kure inzwa andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure vakatoteya miteyo vanotofara ndichienda kumawere manje ngaende kumawere kusvika pakupenga pakutopenga njere ndakuda kumbovaudza zizere ndichitomhanya ngoma iwe bheta uterere ndiri kuti ndamuka chinenge chipoko chasaro chamuka ndadzoka andakabuka ndoziva varipoka vanoseka asi andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure manje havafe vandibata nekuti mwari wangu vati ndichasvika kure inzwa andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure vakatoteya miteyo vanotofara ndichienda kumawere umisei iwe newe ngoma idzi nzazoteerera dei wangopemberera nekuti mwari vanokumburira korikabva kure zvangu ndichifamba asi uno ndongoputitsa mabhomba una mafansi anonditemba kumhanya ngoma January to December andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure manje havafe vandibata nekuti mwari wangu vati ndichasvika kure inzwa andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure vakatoteya miteyo vanotofara ndichienda kumawere manje ngaende kumawere kusvika pakupenga pakutopenga njere ndakuda kumbovaudza zizere ndichitomhanya ngoma iwe bheta uterere ndiri kuti ndamuka chinenge chipoko chasaro chamuka ndadzoka andakabuka ndoziva varipoka vanoseka asi andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure manje havafe vandibata nekuti mwari wangu vati ndichasvika kure inzwa andiri kuzama kumhanya kuenda kumberi vodandizosa kumashure vakatoteya miteyo vanotofara ndichienda kumawere umisei iwe newe ngoma idzi nzazoteerera dei wangopemberera nekuti mwari vanokumburira.
Yeah man, around this moment of the hour, that's around this moment, that's the time when we get to give you the Mangungu 411, yeah? and let you know everything that is happening within the dancehall industry, man. From all the four corners of Zimbabwe, as well as out of the country. Just to give you a glimpse of the things that have been happening in Zimdancehall. So recently I've noticed that Confused has been doing so well, man. He's got a lot of songs that are not only trending on social media, but also a lot of songs that are on high rotation on everything that plays music in Zimbabwe. Believe you me. Personally, I believe that if Confused was to come back to Zimbabwe, he's bound to make more money. He's bound to make more money, believe you me. Because right now he's got Shisha, he's got Ngoma Keku Bawa, Kamna Matoke Bawa. He also have Kastep. He's got Man9, Yeman 9. And he also have a Stop It, believe you me. So these are some of the things that we're talking about in dancehall. Confused that that's a good dinner. Yeah, man, but I'm telling you, if Confused is to come back home right now, you will be one of the most hired artists of 2022, because a lot of people are looking for him, but then they can't find him. Why is he at? And also, I was talking to Freeman earlier on today, and he was saying, look, Mbale, it's only big plans for the big boys. I'll let you know more starting the month of October, but right now I can't reveal what the album is looking like. I was like, no, but dancehall Dr. Lister, let me have a listen to what you've done on the album. He said, no, Mbale, you're my brethren from long time, but look, I can't let you know where I'm going right now. Just know that the album is ready, the mixing is ready, the mastering is ready, and we're also ready to deliver, but we just want to make sure that summertime is fully here, because you see the weather's been changing, and so no, we're actually waiting for summertime, and then we'll give you and sample to you the stuff that we have for you. That was the conversations that I had with Freeman right now, and so I also got a chance to speak to Winky D. It's like, German, what's cooking? And the Mbale knows them a gaffer. So it seems like no one wants to tell us what they're working on right now. And that was a couple of weeks ago, I spoke to Natty Boy. I said, yo, Natty, what the thing, bro, is Mbale. The only thing that I can tell you is that I'm gonna be dropping the brand new video of Open Doors tomorrow, and that's Friday, tomorrow morning. I was gonna be dropping the brand new video of Open Doors, but I won't be telling you until everything is in place. But definitely there's something that is planning before the year ends, as well as 2023. And I also got a chance to speak to Pop 10. I was like, yo, Papitan, Wagwan. I was like, Mbale, summertime is here, and the only thing that I can tell the people around, this is Pop 10 speaking, and the only thing that I can tell the people out there is make sure that you get your white t-shirt. As that's all I can say. I just tell everybody, gotta win a white t-shirt, Yago, because something might be coming out and it might be needing you to wear a white t-shirt. Those were the words that I got from Pop 10. Yeah, man. 10 minutes before we get to 11 o'clock on your number one station. And also, I was with my boy DJ Oskid. Also earlier today, I was busy earlier today, so I was like, yo, Selector Oskid, why go brethren? And Oskid, what you saying to them? Do you have
Oskid as selector, as DJ, the producer?
Do you know what Oskid na Tamuka? Why did Zaveso Dara?
I know that Tamuka is a DJ.
Oskid is also a DJ. Oskid is a very good DJ, believe you me. Oskid and aunyuzwere uri mfana wangu bwana. Nenda kukuchikira. Kana video ari muno manto kuchikira.
Video chibaba.
Video apera.
Video arozotwadza ne madhavu manje ku international.
Video kuri dzapera. Ndomboda kumudya kwake kukweko ndomujikira home ground ameno tanakada ujikirwa kwa madrone ere ku Red Cliff kana kuti kwa Maiguru kana kuti ndokujikira pa Solomons ameno nongoda ujikirwa ku video plan mgumu vanonikwata vanichenzo mashoka. But Anyway, I'm going to be talking to DJ Fidel at exactly 11 o'clock. But a lot of people don't know that Oskid is actually a DJ also.
No,
Vanhu vazhinji ndozvaoneza but Oskid anoridza zvekutodaro chaizvo zvekutomixa nice. You know what? I think if he's tuned in right now, we'll try to get him for next week to come and play for us. Amana Oskid amusi kumziva.
Ndombata ndomuudza kuti mudara arabatika iti mumboro yemadhezi tumona zvamira kei. Ndombata ndomuudza kuti next week amboyongwetwa orowa dzake 30 minutes dzake.
If you ask anyone agaenda ku MSU, they will tell you kuti Oskid airidza zvekudaro. But Mawan ndaichitamba kune vari kuti vari kutora sei ndati DJ Fidel wapera munodyiwa apere murume even tanamane musamsaize ndindega ndobvunzwa musaiza ari kudya imi bvunzaive kwamutare uhu vaadya whatever form of kudya kwauri kufungira zvese angowapedzera ikoko ndikureva pamangoma anyumwa berende rake anyumwa berende rake miraone anyumwa berende rake. Okay, moving on, man. So tomorrow, before we get to do that, so everybody knows that recently DJ Fanton broke up with his ex-wife. So it seems like the wife has managed to move on, man. She's already started posting pictures with a new lover. I feel like it's too early, but hey, congratulations to her. We only have one life to live, man. That's all I can say. So seems like the ex-wife, just like the Fantan, has moved on, man. Anyway, moving on. Tomorrow, it's gonna be a big day for the Chill Spot family as they'll be celebrating the one name Tafadzwa. Ndizo another Tafadzwa kamkomana ndizo naye. Let me tell you his proper name. I need to get it right, man. I need to get it right. I definitely need to get it right. All I know is that I was born on the 9th of September, not 2022. If you're thinking 2022, you're wrong. So Roger Tafadzwa Kadzingwe, a Yemen born on the 9th of September 1989, we will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. So we say happy birthday to Levels in advance. Why is here? Iwe vanhu vari pamangotanga nyaya yekuti Oskid aridze vanhu vabva vaburuka pawhatsapp mdara amawani and especially vakaita madrums paside tamuka ari pama ones and twos Oskid obva ati pamadrums kana the other way around anenge ari ngori mawani. Anyway, so I told you DJ Levels will be turning a year older tomorrow. I believe that he will be turning 33. So we say happy birthday in advance to him. I bet he's gonna get a big present from the beautiful girl of his, Shasho. And also, the current manager, should I say the former manager of Say Carles, his name is Preston. It seems like he's now a pastor, or should I say a prophet. I've seen videos of him making rounds where he's giving people some prophecies, saying no, people are agreeing. So seems like manager wa Carles, a prophet, a pastor. It's good, man. It's good. At least he's given his life to God and winning more souls for God as well. So we really applaud him on that one. 5 minutes before we get to 11 o'clock on Star FM, sound good all the time. And there have been rumors of circulating people saying Anzi Khadija Gatanza and Chada Guimba. How far true is that? Tanaman, come on the microphone. How far true is that? Is that true?
Tanaman. Aina namba za Khadija tinazo. Tokona zonya ngifuna next week. Kana ngifuna pakati papa. Donzo kuti ari kuti chi.
Kuti kamfonera izvozvo.
Aidenje. Mbadai timfune timonzo kuti anoti chi.
Vanhu vari kuti Anzi akatanza nchada kuimba ka. Ina azviiti.
Andi vanhu vari kuti.
Azviiti.
Tofana umbonzoni kusaidi kwake kuti nzoti ari kuti chi. Ndifunga kudai.
Nyangwe kana even anga akati achada kuimba azviiti mudara totomuti adzoke mudhanzi. Kana vari prophet kana prophetess vakamudaro kana zvikuru kuti zviri zvechokwadi atidi kuti vamite yakaitwa
akambireko iye ane voice rinonakidza kudaro
aiwa atidi kuti azoitwa yakaitwa terminated We don't want that. So we going to call it right now. Let us call it right now and find out kuti ndezve chokwadi here kana kuti nyaya dzema streets because ma streets mune vamwe vanhu vanenge vaine nyaya vanongoda kungotudza kuti zvakamira so ko ninga akazodai but dzimwe nyaya dzacho hadzizokwanisa kuzitaura because that's not confirmation. Yeah? So at times we need to make sure that what we're confirming is real and it is true. And then after that, we will touch base on one of the major issues that has been doing rounds now. Sitting Goma. Queen Khadija. Hello, Khadija. Abana bari say runnings. All is well. Kwanzne ko pane makuwa rungofambiswa on my streets anzine vanhu Queen Khadija kati achada zvokuiba icho kwadere Queen.
Musanyeberwa DJ Mbale pane zvachingoitika family issues and anchibadzisa but dinena man.
So we can safely say wangotora a break because you had some in-house issues to fix.
Yeah.
Okay.
Break but akatopera zvako.
Saka mudanzi murimo Queen.
Hakuna kuya mana zoti sikupozi chatangidza kuti.
Hi Chari. Hi Chari.
Tanamani uchingoti yes Queen Khadija kototi hi
Chari.
Hello.
Wadi wangu boy.
Bo musikuna sei.
Ewa bo tsoke mangoma tite zvobasi.
Zvakanakidze.
Yeah.
Mira Khadija, because right now we're live with you on Star FM right now. So you are saying even City Sports pamchadzoka futi muri kwanenga ari ma1.
Ndakatotanga futi Mbale. Mahora iwayo.
So should we expect anything new from you?
Yes, rebranding and mangoma masvini. Hanzi ndatora ndakanyarara mufudzi ndachibike.
Hanzi nemumwe munhu Queen vane mwana.
Ganya.
Ameno vanhu vari pa WhatsApp vanongotaura yese kama.
Ndingarwadziwa.
Tatomana nakadija vakwanise mfana wangu because mari transport yekubva kukremboni kuenda Warren Park uri kuna force ka wajera ngostrola kwa kuna NRZ ka zvinoda kuine NRZ ka. Anyway, thank you so much Khadija for coming through on the show.
Thank you DJ Mbale, thank you so much.
Sharp. Heavy, sharp Queen Khadija.
Sharp.
Okay, that was Queen Khadija that we are speaking to right there. You know, after time we need to make sure that we get the facts right and we make sure the nyaya this is the Tauro my streets there's a chokwadi. And that's what I want to say. You know, Alana is doing so well, man. Have you seen the pictures that Alana has been posting on her social media platform? She's living La Vida Loca, and once more I feel happy for her, you know. I'm so grateful that she's happy. You know, she got married and she's still doing music, and right now she's got a big song that has been doing so well on Star FM. That is called Anzi Usanfonero Nozunmakisa Tikapita Pamawan Chimoto. So it's the song that we're gonna sample before we get to talk to DJ Fidel, and we're gonna sample the big tune that is coming through from Queen Alana. I feel like every Zimdancehall girl deserves to be called a queen because, you know, they are queens. They're all queens in their rightful ways. 11 o'clock on Star FM, sounding good all the time. This is...
It's the Zimdancehall Overdrive with DJ Mbale.
It's a big tune, definitely. Alana, and this one's called Chimoto. You need to check it out, man. Gosso!
Chimoto
It's going down for real.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Up next.
I'm your guy, DJ Mbale on Star FM. The Mangungu Nengu boss. Somebody saying ding 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 ding.
Up next, he knows the streets. He is the streets. He is the Mangungu Ndengu boss, DJ Mbale on Star FM.
It is a big rhythm right now. I saw the video from Killer T, and I must admit that it's a dope video. It is a big bar rhythm that has been doing rounds, produced by one of the finest DJs, the first DJ in dancehall to head to the UK. He is the first DJ to uplift the youths in the Midlands, and he is also the first DJ who used to move around with the Danger Zone family way back. He's been in the game for years, man. He has done so many big shows. Even the recent one in Kwekwe, Gweru, Wagawandisa. I've got so much respect for him because we've known each other for more than a decade right now. And he's in the studio tonight with us. And the reason why he's here in the studio is because he's got a brand new rhythm that's called the Hot Emotions rhythm. DJ Fidel, Wagwan brethren.
Yes, Wagwan.
Yeah, Vimdara.
Abadafar.
Yeah?
Profile mataura zvimelata kasvikangana
aiwa panapa tirwadziveka kuti sezvo mune muchitwa kunzoona munhu wese ari mudhansoka mageto ese anenge achikuti ana mufana video it's better we make sure munhu wese anopuwa maflowers ake. We've got so much respect for you, right, your Zimdancehall Overdrive, man. Even the fans as well, they were anticipating. I saw the messages coming through. When is a DJ Fidel coming through on air? When is DJ Fidel coming through on air? So we're so happy that you've managed to make it in the studio. So otherwise could you say kwekwe mnara?
Kwekwe airi kwekwe.
Fidel usati wenda ukwekwe waimbochikora kupi?
Inini born and bred ndakakurira mukwekwe, but ndikabva ndabuda ndikaenda kuMozambique. Mozambique, that's where I started most, like Zimdancehall. Maybe kuti tizonyatsonzi Zimdancehall, I think that's where I started it.
Okay.
Yeah, my days Anna Sunshine, Nana Alvan K, Nana Anna Ganwid. Anna Ganwid and a whole lot. Yeah.
Heavy. And I remember those days when you move on a Danger Zone family.
Yeah.
And up to now, you're still very close in a free man. Even among my artists, the likes of an Akila team.
Yeah, those like my friends I'm from day one, you know. Danger Zone is family. And we are going to Kudza, because basically when I started this, I was a selector, I was a sound man, right? So but I started as a production, do one Wagandi, Kwansamandi Sumzi roster around to be where I am now. So respect the Danger Zone family, yes.
Yeah, man. But from being a DJ, what made you say, you know what, I also want to produce music as well?
Passion for music. At the same time, you feel there's a gap in missing. That's why even I hate to do this reading.
Yeah, man.
My last reading was 2016.
2016, and what was the name of that reading?
Bus Stop TV reading.
The Bus Stop TV reading.
Yeah.
Okay. You know the reason why. But anyway, Fidel, I want to ask you something. Mo Midlands, boys over or Sumudza.
Yeah.
And recently you had Killerman.
Yeah.
What time of Pusher?
Yeah.
Do you feel appreciated enough when you do these things? And do you do it for money? Do they ever come back to you and say, DJ Fidel, maitabasa mataura na Mbale kuti ndirire pa Zimdancehall Overdrive, mataura nerumwe boys kuti tirire kumwa shows, Fidel maitabasa maita ndi perform ku Cup Clash, maita ndione ku pa page renyu ndi ma followers. Do you feel appreciated enough?
Basically, in personally music ndoita passionately, ndoita ni moyo,
not javali,
I do it passionately, right?
Yeah, man.
Ndoita ni moyo, because when he started doing these things, when I ndamvirana zoti njakwira ndege, I never had a mission yekuti njazoenda mira pana. So that's the difference between me and them. So wherever I'm doing things for certain people, let's work, let's do this, I don't expect anything. But my systems are sometimes, yes, of course, we like appreciation, that's fine, but at least not to do anything. Just that respect alone. So even not appreciation again, the other things like my artists at no sumuzira, or the people, my producers, even vanhu vatendishanda navo vakawanda. Munhu ukamutengera bhutsu ngaibatwe zvakanaka. but ukaona munhu wamutengera boots iri kuiswa mumadhaka uite effort yekuramba uchitenga boots
kana kuramba uchiikwesha
you understand
Yeah,
saka I hope you manzwisisa zvandiri kutaura.
Heavy. I hear you. Now, Fidel, how many rhythms have you made so far?
I have a lot of rhythms. I have international and local rhythms a lot. And it was
Let's talk about international. Munomabata zema links ayekwa unana red kunana mukarongana Anthony B kuti vaimire mamwe artist munom munamchiswambisa semdara muziyana seko ne boys red toswera tichaise mgeto wozonzwa Fidel ari kutaura kana na Robert Ranks kuti I'll pick up to DJ Fidel in Zimbabwe. Yeah man, chii chinenge chitika tiitewo mdara.
No. It is what I learned, like me, I'm friend to Anthony B, I'm friend to Turbulence. I'm like Anthony B na motora na 2012, right? Or via email. I'm there and redeem that time they redeem extravagant. He charged me 5,000, right? But now I'm gonna manjitora na. Up to the time I was on the no mfana kaipo. You understand? 2016 akaimba redeem rangu focus. Ana uncharge kana cent. 2017 ndakaita collaboration iye na Freeman. Ana uncharge kana cent. Because ndoramba ndichipusha. I started kunetsa Winky D maybe 2010 if not 2011, right? Tichitaura naye German something like that. But come 2013 Winky D voiced one of my songs. Saka chinochiita ndechekuti unofanira kumba une passion yekuramba uchipusha chinhu. So usasati zvakati Mbale ndakuya ku radio ndakati last week wanga uri busy. Last week wanga uri busy.
Takatanga last month kutaura nyaya iyoyo.
Ungoti I know ndine schedule but ndakakufonera futi ngati Mbale ndiri panapa. That you just have to have the drive. Manje wana kawanda anongoti tikatana man tiri song yedu. Asi kuzotana man wane ma program you have to understand kuti tana man wane chi ane ma program ake. Saka akataura it doesn't mean kuti ukataura futi mangwana achakudza the same answer.
That is true.
Ndizvo zviripo. Zvafanana nepa German Winky ndakamutumira read. But it doesn't mean ndikaita chimwe chinhu charatidza kusendera usende. Usaore moyo munhu pazvinhu zvako. So ndotokuramba chicommunicate nawo mati tikatatu wachi we are now friends with all of those people.
Heavy. Now, Heart Emotions rhythm.
Yeah.
It's a big rhythm.
Yeah.
Very, very big rhythm.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the motivation and inspiration behind the rhythm. Moyo, my emotions, chichi, mawana.
Rhythm rakanditira 20 minutes not 30 minutes. You just have the basic. Yeah, kutonza kuti chinhu chakaipa ichi. Hapana zvaitika mulife mangu zvakawanda that time.
Tuze mdara.
Aiwa ndikwanza kuzisa.
Ndedze mjolo, ndedze marire.
It was like just life.
Okay.
I was having tough times for some time, like 2 months, 3 months ago. Hapamba kaipa.
Haufuri namo yangu ndaiona ipapo.
So to me now, what I said is like it's been long since I've been in studio. Let's just me dedicate my time and everything Dream Studio.
So which artists are on this rhythm?
I have so many local artists. Yeah, so many local artists.
And do we
from South Africa, like okay, Funzai.
That was the international artist rhythm.
Okay, that's the thing genetica kwandiri. It's when I make a rhythm. Do not also this type of a rhythm is for this type of people.
Elaborate, Papa.
Iri rhythm very Zimbabweans.
Why?
This is Zimdancehall.
Why? How do you know it's Zimdancehall?
I didn't know this Zimdancehall. I have a Kenyan guy I got jump on it. I have a Malawian guy I got jump on it. But Kwandiri, the other thing is like, in personal, I can take Freeman, I can convince him to voice something from me. But can this series sure and we're gonna create something big. I see I could know and I kill a tiongo touch. This is all I'm done. No, we have to do something to Mangwana, Chino Taurika.
You have to understand, feel them artist
on chase after again. Because when I wonder about it's me who called them, no guys. When I got to see a food, no looked at no, it's type now. I mean, I'm going to disappoint. So for me to put in the national artist Panapaka, next time Panjazo Gazera, Dandirao Chari, Kutin, so somewhere like Randina Romashuro, it's not going to resonate. There's no work on it. It's not always Mbale. You're always on WhatsApp. I'm always on WhatsApp. But I'm going to already know we just have to talk panenge business. Not to go on WhatsApp. That's what I'm trying to say.
I hear you because you know me being a producer as well. Way back there was a time when you got 2 meter artist. I said no, but it's not me. That's not my sound. So I totally agree with you with what you're saying. And boys they dzinorowa yedu musambo wezimdanzo vaneka mukafeel kavanotsvaga so rhythm kana risina ikakoka zveshuwa inenge isiri Zimdancehall vatokuudza kuti haisi Zimdancehall heavy. So the rhythm's got big artists. Before we sample the rhythm, I know we've been sampling it for the past few weeks, but before we get to drop people on the rhythm, which song would you say is your biggest tune by rhythm?
Pane mfana nunzi Boy Breezy. Yeah.
Heavy.
That shoot is bad. Ini langu the way akapinda pa rhythm zvakandinakidza.
It's very unique.
It's very unique. Is akanyatsoogona.
And how many people have done videos for their own songs on this rhythm? Because in so far I think I only know Killer T.
There's Killer T, there's Windy, Pop 10 and the Jerryman. There's a lot of people.
They did their own videos.
Yeah, even Colors, I think anytime soon something.
And what does that tell you as a producer? Because my producer mazhinji mudhara vanoburitsa marhythm, my artist aite mavideo anongo chikanda kana kubroadcast but
vanenge vakafila kuti we did something big together,
like you said. Sound
plus takatika kwandiri Killer T ane time nombotaura naye sometimes, right? But it was just a plug and play, kungosenda chete zvikanzi bo same as JC ngomsendera chete akuti amdara senda fuko because ndaisenda demo kwanza aiwa senda fuko, you know, because vanenge vakutotara kaipa heavy ndakangosvikirwa.
Aiwa mayamunoziya. So for someone who's been in the game for years, definitely you know the sound that these artists they need. Okay, 11:15 on Star FM, sounding good all the time. 0775 897 897. We need you to send your messages and let us know how you feel in this rhythm. It's called The Heart Emotions, produced by DJ Fidel, DJ Tanaman. Set it loose. Somebody ring the alarm. And it's Paka from Pretoria, Kaso. Utambene mandu yangu kama nikanokufurira kundirongera zinondipara sakahamiti utambene mandu yangu iwe kana uri samari yematokwa tichimonditerera. Watch it. Akukutandisa se weakness yakuziva upenyu wangu ukuvurira matongi ndarima mumunda mangu. Last time kwakandikunza kunobva mari yangu wantakutra se unenge wapandoka wana tutasi chakatatengese cheso kuda kutya kwesisere kananda kuti uri wangu siva uri wangu iwe wendoti chimwe changu uri yama yangu siyana nemhandu. Black Warrior. Somebody weapon andina my links ke phone call andina somebody weapon andina tiwangu ndombata pa phone call andina somebody weapon andina my links ke phone call andina somebody weapon andina tiwangu ndombata pa phone call panoniti ande tisunga pandi ande abafare kuona ndawira mugomba Friday what are you Monday or Sunday vanofara kuona ndichingenda kona the links them pick up your friends them one no mira neni wote I think that's me This is Ali D.
DJ match can never be undone. Cause you don't know panadiwa uriwe hawaida kusiwa baby mtalo muchalo mosiva chakuvara rimwe ramasuva ndaimbova number 1 kwauri paya tichangotanga nasindavetsa pa 1 kwauri moyo wangu wakauranga pamwe ndapera asini ndinopera ndafa as long ndichirarama I will make it up siva ndinopera ndafa I need the dance and again. Boy, para pamatana burita, volume kita kuita, lafi pachana kita. Oda banana robina na fita na luina na kita. Uro tichikirita, saka kana uri munyoani mutansal. Nasi shaka wanga sa uja sita. Bulotino fara kana nema criminal. Pasina kana no dimani kita. Ona tiri mashuka teti, no saka tichirola nema pepi. Ala kwa mangane kesteti, kana ini honde ke tara tiri reti.
LC Gweja representing the Midlands. Ding ding. This is Popton and Jerryman. Now introducing the chairman Hupu Kility.
Ngati unganeti jire tukuda party after party usandifariro kunze udeni kwangu ikarati saka baby wangu nichuse nikweze ndege mashanga kana shaunuda ndudze nikupe nditandika sungano kana msero kila unyingo toda sansero nakuremera yango skero original ngati embero Sipisa nyangwe nepa singa sipisike manora majiti ekta fenya munepa nenge napanoti ekta weno ape ine wanuva ango wanoni simbisa nyangwe nepa singa sipisike manora majiti ekta fenya munepa nenge napanoti ekta weno ape saka ekta.
This is JC.
Mukonde musherufu ndi muno kandisha saka pide ndipe kunongoma nilisho kunosiva ndingo bandinonyura mwasi donotanda nepasaidi panziweta makika nouya nekuwaidi chimoko zvonditide disekungeketa meridi nyangwa kandichepa vandiwane offside nevakomanda vekwamzviti.
Introducing Van Choga, Van Chululoops, Lego. Ladies, this is your tune.
Baby, what's your name? I really wanna follow you on Insta. What's your name? I just wanna follow you by TikTok. I wanna be the first one to like your pictures when you post them. I wanna be the first one to listen to you when you go live. So what's your name? Manaskana nduze sita rako nakudurura masiso kupeji rako wakatakura kurema une zvinhu zvako. Please please ndokumbira sita rako ndiwe unoita ndimerere ndigutse masiso misodzi iyerere ndava munhu wechetisa duterere ndini chakurora handimbokunyerere. What's your name? I really wanna follow you on Insta. What's your name? I just wanna follow you by TikTok. I wanna be the first one to like your pictures when you post them. I wanna be the first one to listen to you when you go live.
Now introducing the last tune of this video. This is Russ Mugo, aka Windy President.
Star FM.
Just kufunga anekufamia saka baby ndafunga siwele nakatenga kukubuta kuti ninakuida ndafunga kuchoda kukukisa saka baby ndafunga siwele nakatenga kukubuta kuti ninakuida.
And this is Boy Breezy, our very own ghost. Let go.
Remember bye bye. Usinga dejo na bye bye. Bye tuona mai motiva na bye bye. Bachachi yetu bibi. Lere bye bye. Utindi Paris wanyara. Baby bye bye. Chichatang, baby chichatang. Ndafungi. Suwele nakatenga kukubuta kutini nakuida. Ndafungi. Jordan.
Boy Breezy on this one. Star FM sounding good all the time. 23 minutes past 11. And you know one thing I like about Boy Breezy, Fidel.
Yeah, I'm done.
One of them was Zimdancehall. Their boys there at coach.
Yeah.
But my baby, I got going, but my sweet song, some ways.
My sweet melody. That's why I don't feel out tuning about it. Big song.
Definitely, you're right, man. I totally agree with you. Now, Fidel. Yeah. Now, they try to be everybody. Koinda.
I'm very busy.
Ndineso nanda utaura nasa ndisitaure zvine there's a loud danger one, but I think today is not the day.
Okay,
I've been a good person in 2022.
Let's
be honest, man. But yeah, anyway, rega tichitaura dzeva penyu.
Alright. Usadaro. Unajibabana bono timu. Usadaro jamaa.
Rhythm rakaipa.
Thanks alright.
Rhythm rakaipa. Heart emotions rhythm. So we gotta open up the phone line 0772-162-651. Don't number the phone 0772-162-651. Shout out to Apostle Sriya as I'm tuned in Bali. I'm listening to the dancehall. I'm listening to what the youth are doing, and I'm happy that Zimdancehall is saving a lot of youth from the life of crime. Let's find out who's on the line. Star FM Wagwan.
DJ Mbale Wagwan.
Diribo mkoma wangu muri say?
Madi.
Aiwa boch baba taura na DJ Fidel.
DJ Fidel.
Madi mdara.
Mdara makaipa mpire.
Aiwa ndinotenda. Aiwa ivi ndiminoda ndisapere because support yenyu munondiva, it keeps me going, you know.
Makaipa mdara.
This is a God-given talent. Mwaraga ndipa chinichi kuti chingo zvinoitika zvega.
Aiwa zvinoonekwa mdara wangu. Mukita zvirambe zvichienda kumberi zvisapera.
Aiwa ndine chimwe chiri pamberi papa. Mbale akazonyatsondifunza ndichaitawa kuti ndivhure mafaira muchana.
Ya, totochida. Anowanikwa papi komangoma yenyana.
Vachakudza towards the end of the show.
Alright.
It's talent show kapachita.
Thank you so much, talent.
Big up.
Yeah, 0772-162-651. Call us right now and tell us, what do you think of this brand new rhythm produced by DJ Fidel? It's called The Heart Emotions, man. It's a big rhythm up. I love the video. I don't want to kill it. Hey. Instead, I want a nice thing up a video. Okay, Star FM.
DJ Mbale.
Zirize mkoma wangu.
Huya zego DJ Mbale.
Aiwa bota ora na DJ Fidel.
DJ Video.
Mdara David.
Muda zego ngomo.
Dirimo mujiraundi momo ngokia maweeks.
Yiri dumu magajibata baba magapinza maskulu.
Aiwa, thank you so much mkoma rambe makadaro. Munofana kudza vamwe nevamwe vese kuti kune chinonzi Heart Emotions mawani.
Bosi alawana kumanye.
Aiwa, bosi alawana big song ipapa. Mukaritsvaga rinonzi High Definition.
Atakatombo resemble and tichatoriisa futi after tapedza ipapa.
Alright, rinonzi High Definition.
Iri bongo wangu knowledge papers.
Okay, big up papers massive.
Thank you so much. Ufarise uncle lepatan. Nagina.
Alright, don't worry, Bali.
Come on. Okay, also 0772-162-651. Come through and let us know what you think about this brand new rhythm. It's called The Heart Emotions, man. Rhythm produced by the world-class producer. He's a legend, man. He's been in the game for years. He'll tell you every story about dancehall. Okay. Start from Wagwan.
DJ Mbale, Murise.
Diribom Komango Murise.
Bo Fide akauraya.
Aiwa, thank you so much family. Maita basa nekusimbisa.
Uriko Fide.
Ndiri bo mukuru mukuzgona ze.
Aiwa, bona memangadaro mudhara varadzidze.
Aiwa, charamba tichidaro patakasirwa naSauro charamba tichienderera mberi.
Yeah man, DJ Mbale.
Big up yourself.
Usarwadzeka kuudza vanhu kuti kala dzakauraya.
Paridim.
Inini unoda ndikudza chokwadi.
Ndiudze.
Ndinoda kutozozvinzwa kana takuridza Fidel akuda. Because tikaridza Fidel ari munomwa. Fidel anofara Sterek Boss ndo rakatanga kubuda. Saka tikuridza upe kupedzera.
Obale uza politics.
Yeah, thank you, Chibaba. Okay, I'm gonna allow 3 more callers to call us and tell us what they feel about the brand new rhythm. Let's find out who's on the line. Star FM Wagwan.
Hello, DJ Mbale.
Ngoma Madi.
Bo, datana DJ Fidel wavo.
Wagwan family.
Boy Breeze lo wanezwa munomitira mpana akauraya uyo.
Akadambura Boy Breeze inini manje zvangu andowanzo kunyepera vanhu. Ndinototora chaya akaipa ndototi akaipa.
Mpana uyo.
Akaipa nditi.
Aiwa akaipa DJ Mbale pewo mpano we-interview ndachema zvangu.
Ndinompa mkoma wangu kana mimi matodano.
Aiwa musage impano ndiye Zim Chris Martin wedu chaichaiyo. Avarakidza kuti dhambe nembwa zvese.
Ndakati mutsvagire tiunganidze mari yekuti apinde mugo fast auye areas.
Yes, thanks to my blessed of DJ Fidel isembana ku UK uyo.
Okay, it's a try.
Heavy. Okay, 2 more callers 0772 162 651. Call us right now to Wagwan about this rhythm. Star FM Wagwan.
Hello.
Yes, Baba Murise.
Iraze.
Yeah, Vitora ina DJ Fidel.
DJ Fidel maora masi.
Aiwa, give thanks mwangu pakaipa ndo basa racho mwari anenge akafura. Tine chitarisiro chokuti anopinda. Aiwa, rega ndimutsvage ndine tarisiro yacho don't worry. Haisi ridhima hativha toona kuti pinza vanhu futi kana next year futi. Aiwa, rega tipedze nyaya yacho todzifambira vanhu vakawanda ndo zvavari kutaura, rega tifambire nyaya dzacho. Okay, give thanks Jake.
Okay, let's have the last caller. 0772 162 651. Door number Zekfona. Shout out to everybody who's giving us very positive comments on our Facebook page. The likes of Alois Sunday, Tom Siders. Shout out to you. Star FM, hello, you're live on radio.
Hello.
What do you say, Baba?
Hello.
Hello, what do you say?
Yes, Mkoma Mbale.
Yeah, Vitora ina Fidel.
Yes, Mkoma Fidel wagwan brother.
Mdara Murise Mdara.
Bo mkoma wangu jusa timeende pandriki mwa QDT yesa.
Akapedza jusa ere.
Hello.
Ndepa akapedza jusa
akapedza akaappreciate za producer wakasimbisa umwe producer zero zoti mukumberi
akavharadza kuti veteran.
Heavy, thank you so much for calling my guy.
Yes, I'm Mkoma Mbale boy.
Sharp. Okay. Anemu message inoda uchiona maybe ukauya kusaidi kuno kumbozvionera tana machikovhurira mukomana amhanye auye azoverenga message iyi obva aizvipindurira ega pamicrophone because ndashaya kuti ndomupindura munhu asenda message isei message asenda inomeka sense isingaiti because munhu wari confused. So Fidel is going to tell you the message yabvunzwa nzi chii uye zvanoipindura chii Fidel.
Alright, inini ndonzi DJ Fidel the Don all the way from Kwekwe. Ndakasiyana nemufana wangu wekunotona anonzi Tangai Bawa. Ini ndakamboimba kudhara but pandakaona kuti handigoni kuimba. Ndasiyana nazo. Saka I'm not an artist at all. I'm just a DJ, producer and a promoter, that's all.
Yevi ndofunga apindurika de. Now DJ Fidel. Vafana vazhinji makatoresa mapassport makatoresa mavisa vamwe mapassport vaatonawo pamwe chete nemabirth certificate. Idzi nyaya dzandoziya kwete dzekunzwa from Langbeck vanhu vachienda UK. I'm going to ask you this question for the last time. Do you feel appreciated enough DJ Fidel? Because pamwe pacho unokanganwawo zvakanaka zvaunenge waitira chi munhu.
No, in personal vanem Zimdance vakaoma moyo. That's what I'll tell you. I don't feel appreciated by any time, but kwandiri chipo chiri pandiri hachina kumbouya kuti ndakachiwana kana somewhere. It's a God given thing, so I'll keep doing the talent which was given by God.
Yeah,
I know one day or the others chaita, but somehow most handizoti ningi but anenge ari mawani munhu anotarisa side rake chete hatarise kuti wedu ari kuita sei
heavy,
but it's normal.
I like the fact you had to bring that out. They don't remember, and you don't have to mention names. Wise words coming through from DJ Fidel. So DJ Fidel, a lot of people, they're looking for this rhythm. They want this rhythm. Others, they want to book you for shows, and others, they want to know what you're up to on your social media. They want to follow you. What do the DJ Fidel vari kuita sei? So that time I'm jumping up stress. Wakasa kubatsira Fidel. Stress is uzangorechitanga mudhara kamusiri mega mamune stress.
Akari mawanika. Akari mawani.
Munongozo. Ndozongoonzwika zviri panapa. Chingotaura anatana mani anatana mandi aita uizvaita zvava zvinenge zvichingooaitira
hati mbosha zvemoyo mudhara zvemoyo kuti pade kudaizvo. Alright, it's fine. Vanonitsvaga ndowanikwa paInstagram, Twitter neFacebook. It's DJ Fidel the Don. Fidel wachona vakabatana DJ na Fidel vakabatana FYDALE.
Yeah man,
the Don. That's my social media platform. My business line now is +263 776 275 440 776 275 440.
Heavy. But before you go, are you working with any artist right now?
Yeah, ndine mfana wandawa naye anonzi Ancient Stallion Gangster.
Ancient
Stallion Gangster.
Stallion.
Yeah.
Yes, I
Gangster.
Yeah.
What's your real name, brethren?
Charles Tapiwa Mpokosa.
Let's talk about where did the name Ancient Stallion Gangster, Ancient Gangster Stallion, rakabopi?
Alright. Ngoma chakaita kuti ndizozviti at first ndinzi Junior Fire, but then yakazongosvika nguva yekuti aiko zvinondaona kuti amai anchazi Junior, kozi tikasvikawo vanhu uchipika masando marasta hapana pavangazoramba vachingoti Junior wadi chero wakura chero hapana ndoramba ingoti Junior zvikuti vakazoona kuti maya inini confidence dzandinadzo pazvinhu zvandoita nepower randinaro ipower rebhiza full horsepower vanangozviita aiwa inini mana Stallion. Then ndiri pakuzviti Stallion pakabva pazokudikirawo Enzo Aisha wachizviti Stallion, but
saka ndiwakatanga kuchiti Stallion, is that what you say? Ini ndechida kungonzwa handisi kuti wakaba kana kuti wakatanga. Ini ndechida kungoita sei kungoda kunzwisisa. After Enzo abudikira chiti Stallion and then vamadimda
vatangowedzera kaanshandika kekuratidza kuti amakara.
Okay. Heavy, big up yourself. So before we let you get out of the studio with DJ Fidel, unfortunately tikareda kupai 5 maridem, but apa takungokupai 1 chete iriri mdara because time yedu ndo yaita se
yaita shoma
maizia. So mchangoti pachi freestyle, and then starting from next week we will play the tunes from you, Ancient Stallion Gangster. I can see that you're a gangster, my guy. I'm actually afraid, man.
Yeah.
Heavy. Selector Tanaman will update you.
Well.
Okay.
You listen.
Dancehall time.
Barabatanan, akanyare futi. Kakuda wanda fiti akachada futu. Kakuda taxi komba kachaike futi. Apakane mapururu ane motor plant. Baby aramba atina tanta daru sina mari usandi chaga usine sandi chaga usina mari.
Let's go.
Well. Barabatanan. Paya dembasa. Tunasera ibiriji maitombo swera pamabiriji vamwe makabva kumavileji amukete malanguage nefutu mastrategy makapfuma mava nebhegi hamafane shoteji zvikukonzeresa heteji mazimutoro mazilageji lack of knowledge kuzvisunga nemabhandeji patabatman strategy ngavambondityira havambandityira kubata musonga romba ineka pretandifenelini neroga ngavambondityira havambandityira kubata musonga romba ineka petandi fenelini neroka saka nasinda zobudikira kakuyefuyemu ndanga ndina mukoma fite ditoni kwakuna mbale changu chimukoma chakapiwa maruva ereti pafale ndokuna sana mani top selector apa ndakubosa freestyle selector papa vaisa effect usasoyeta
DJ Fidel. I'm actually happy that you're here because starting from next week it's ghetto versus ghetto.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna give you a challenge.
Yeah.
All
right.
Muchauya ne 3 artists ukwekwe.
Yeah.
Amuno temba. Anditi amuno temba unoti afana ndo vanopisa.
Vanovarisa.
Then ndichatagawo mumwe DJ maizia. Achauya ne 3 vamwe vafana vake.
Yes.
Vanotemba.
Yes.
So iwewe ucharidza 3 machuni.
Yes.
Anditi.
Yeah.
3 machuni evafana vako kwete 3 machuni 3 ma-instrumental.
Yes.
Achaimbwa
nevafana vako
anaimbwa nevafana
vauyowaibatha
then iyewo uya uya nevafana vake acharowo 3 ma-instrumental anoimbwa nevafana vani
vake
first round.
Yes.
Anditi we're gonna invite a very big artist mdancehall.
Yes.
He's gonna be the judge.
Yes.
Then after varova maridhim aya then tanaman ndo vachazorova 3 maridhim ekuita sei. So it's a big challenge for you.
No, next week I'm coming. I'm ready.
Ghetto versus ghetto.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's what we call it. So ighetto ripira mnemchi uya naro kufana vafana venyu mudara.
Ayo so kuti ghetto kwekwe isaka kwata.
Ghetto kwekwe.
Yeah.
Saka tikubatanidza maghetto ese ukwekwe.
Yeah.
Tipe mazita mudara mazita emaghetto ese ukwekwe.
Amaveni.
Yeah man.
Bizo. Redcliffe, Rutendo, Todu, Masasa. I don't know.
So vafana vese vari kunzvimbo dzataurwa Redcliffe, Mbizo, kwekwe. Makanobata DJ Fidel.
Yeah man.
Chataura na Madron.
Yes.
Kuti Boss Madron.
Yeah.
Itai kuti vafana vauye kuHarare munouya na Boss Madron.
I don't know what to pin.
Maizia.
Yeah.
3 vafana venyu.
Yeah.
Vamuri kutemba.
Yeah, ndizvozvo.
Heavy. So kuno kundichaona kuti
which ghetto?
Ndine shunge kuda kutanga nekuChitown uku kana ndotanga neMbare.
Enda vaMbare.
Ndotanga neMbare. Mbare makawandisa maghetto youths.
Okay, aenda ikoko chaiku. Kwauri kudaura mungoenda kwamuri kuda. Anything test.
Mumbare ndofunga Mbare ndokoneta 3 weeks tichitora because toti Fantana tanga uya nevafana vake 3 vanotemba. Ava vafana vatiri kutaura havasi vafana vakamborira paradio. We won't be inviting any artist who has been on radio before. These are all new artists.
New artists. Don't worry, we're ready.
Ande?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, because ndozetu maghetto akawandisa ka mune vamwe vapana vasiri kupiwa mukana vamwe havana mari vamwe vanonzi vanoita zvemadrugs vamwe vanenge vangomakwanzi apana nangomaka menoti anenge akangomakirwei. So we want those youths to come through and give them the opportunity. Then by the end of the year, in fact every month, 1 anosara akamira 3 vanosara vakamira veghetto rimwe chete. Ini naTanaman will make sure kuti vafana ivavo vanoita 3 masingles 1 from the producers of their own choice.
Of their own choice.
Yes, we as Zimdancehall Overdrive will fund for the production until we get sponsorship for Ghetto versus Ghetto.
It's very good initiative. Thank you so much.
Maizia. So chiprogram chinenge chitanga na 9:30. Tichipedza, let's just say around 10:15 or 10:30. Starting every Thursday next week. Ghetto versus Ghetto. We need to promote our own. But you know what, DJ Fidel, thank you so much for coming through on the show. And definitely we need to exit. Yala.
Ndine chimwe chandinacho. Chine my international artist.
Okay. I guess we'll have to drop it next week.
No, ndokupa mna December. But
Mawan.
Ndina Caputon paritim
maiwi.
Saka vari kubuditsa gari mabuditsa because ndikadzoka futi nechimwe chiraundi mawan.
Heavy. That was DJ Fidel. You got the number. If you want to get in touch with him, please do so. And he told you social media handles, so please remember to follow me, Papo, so that you get all the updates. But right now, introducing Sekalas, aka Tawanda Manyi, Father of All Nations. There's a reason why I call him Father of All Nations. Father of All Nations, I see him. He's the Father of All Nations.
Yes. machuku iko zvino namoyashi maisa wachuku saka tekutozvipimba tibude pamapicha mugotabatidza kutengara sane kupicha kuti banditi rinoera kuti haitengwe staira this time isusu tiri kubakabaka bakabaka tiri kubakabaka sekara tamara tiri kusmakasaka makasaka ndakasara saida zviona kuti nyika yedu ino yaoma fraction yetu yava ipopa pakudawa nechibanditi muropa salamien utakakura tichiona namatsvuku iko zvino namoyazvibaisa watsvuku saka tekutozvipimba tibude pamapicha mugotabatidza kutengara sane kuplicha kuda kuwedzera high definition uvenge vari kusiva ndiri kurira vari kuzvimba ndakapeta complexion mamero etisiva takasviba vakatitsoma vari kutishaya muposition maex akatisiya takasviba tiri kutova confusa vari kutotangisa kuti nyenga umakomakuchaira kutiona mahara mafricha neuma kutofunga ndakasara iko zvinotidiwa machava kutadara zvinodhura kuona banditi patara zvida kundiona karotenga av handichawanika paepoti tv nakumbowanika pa4k hd zvida kundizumawedzera la iwe waisa makeup ini ndaplicha warova henesi ndarova kambucha wapfeka wiki ndakerwa ndatsinta takangofanana tese tiri kuzvivika waputa shisha mbamoko buwe kutara kuye pandaiudzirwe piye presha ngaindipfuwe
So this is DJ Fidel. Those who are asking in the Fidel, wetangai bawe, vakatosiyana. We are not the Fidel jet. This is DJ Fidel. I need you to understand this. This one has always been, he had been there ever since the evolution of dancehall. That's why he's a big man in the dancehall industry. Believe you me, I've got so much respect for him. And you should also put some respect to his name. It is quarter to midnight. Right, your Star FM sounding good all the time. But before we get to enter the motivation, we're going to push the motivation to 10 minutes to midnight. So before that, I'm only going to play 2 tunes. One from Uncle Epashon and the other one from Cloud Mashiriri. Definitely a big tune coming through from Uncle Epashon. I mean Epaton. Why do I keep saying that? Let's just call him Epashon. Uncle Epashon right there. And this was about it's a big tune, man. Definitely a dancehall banger. Believe you me. So if you're a big fan of the Europa League, definitely I've got the result for you, man. Man United lost 1-0 to Real Sociedad. Manchester United lost 1-0 to Sociedad. And then Arsenal won 2-1 away playing FC Zurich. That's Arsenal winning 2-1 away playing FC Zurich. Shout out to everybody who love football. It is 30 minutes before we get to midnight on your number one station, Star FM, sounding good all the time. Introducing Mr. Clark. Icho. His name is Cloud Mashiriri, and this one is called Give Me Love.
Captain K. Jones. Half good, you love my life. Every time I look around, I see your face. I've got you, baby. You love my dreams. Every time I look around, I see your face. I've got you, my lady. You love my life. Every time I look around, I see your face. I've got you, my lady. You love my dreams. Every time I look around, I see your face. Give me some, baby. Baby, baby, give me some. Baby, unconditionally. Baby, baby, give me some. Lord. You hear me when I say this? I know. Open the lock for me. Let me tell him. Panija puda nasi, ura imusu chacha. Panija famba nasi, chicha famba zakanaka. Cause I have a family like I want to feed. They say man no temper neni. They know that mercy and your blessings in the no temper neni. I say open doors, open doors, open the doors for me. Open doors, open doors, open the lock for me. Aye. Open doors, open doors, open the doors for me.
Star FM sounding good all the time. 10 minutes before we get to midnight on your number one station, man. Welcome to the last segment of this show, and welcome to what we call
The devil is a liar, you can take motivated with the Mangungundengo motivation.
Mangungundengo motivation, that's what we call it, man. The idea is to make sure that we install some sort of brand new type of thinking within your mindset.
Cause I have a family like I want to feed.
So, I told you that earlier today I saw a couple of kids being chased out of town because of the high criminal activity that they were doing in the CBD. So, ghetto youths, not all of us are born to be millionaires. I always say this. Not all of us are born to drive him a Benz, them a Beamers. But I want to help you understand a Chinchinonzi concept ya kugaramba. And I want to help you understand could pepa nongo chinzi siyama drugs. Vana nongo chitry kuti cheap because I've actually noticed kuti vazhinji vedu pamunoudzwa ndi siyama drugs. You think kuti munaka kumaka, munaka kuvenga. Pepa unonzi siya the life of crime. Most of you don't understand it because you believe that no, what this person is saying to me is being senseless and is being useless. He doesn't care about me. I want to tell you something. First of all, I want to tell you the importance of home. Kukosha. Kwekumba kwepamba paunobva paunogara. Unoziya kana uri munhu anobva kumba kana kuti pamba pane vanhu. There's a lot of things that you learn. Pese panongochitsurwa, pese panotsurwa mwana wemumwe munhu. Pane zvinhu 1 or 2 zvaunodzidza. Asi kana uri munhu ari kuzvipa option yekuti you know what, I want to go out there and stay muma streets. Ukanogara muma streets, everyone thinks you are a thief. Everyone thinks you're mad, you're crazy, you're stupid. It's only by the grace of God that one will say, you know what, pane oh yakuno ndinokuchengeta, uya ndinogara newe. Unoziya inini ndogara ndichiudza vanhu kuti pamunonzi yamutambire chibage. Ndiyamutambire chine ma-NGO nechakati chakati musaende because hatisano nhamo zvekudaro zimbabwe hatisano nhamo zvekudaro handina nhamo yekudaro hongu nhamo irimo zvinhu zvakaoma ndirambe bati unoziva chinhu chekuforera wombomiswa kiu womborohwa nezuva. I've never been a fan of that. So ghetto youths, I'm telling you this because you know kuti munhu anoya mastreets otora mapicture so that oposta pa social media kuti aone malikes actually saw a couple of days ago, went into the streets, then I fed a couple of children. You don't want to be part of the kids that will be seen on that picture. It's not right, it's not safe. Nyangwe kumba kuome say chaga kumwe kwekuenda kusiri mu street. I'm pleading with you ghetto youths because of the life you must streets here, it might look fun when you're busy grabbing things from other people, but it's not the right way to go. And this goes out to every ghetto youth out there who thinks kuda ndikanogara neshamwari zvinoita, ndikanogara naningi zvinoita. Kana uri kugara nemunhu anokuabuse, please report that person to the police. I know the police will do justice, they'll definitely do their job. If you see maybe there's no progress, please find other people or relatives to go and stay with. Because it's as good as you're just doing my house chores. Whilst you think and look for something else to do. And as for young girls, I'm pleading with you, I'm begging you, please go back to school. Find something practical that you can do. Me, I remember, you know, in primary and secondary education, we did metalwork, we did woodwork, and the girls mostly would do some cooking, a lot of things that they will do. And up to now, some of us are still using those skills, those life skills. So, little girls, I'm pleading with you. Vasikana ndo kumbiro. Akuna kumirira kuda kuchengetwa nemwe murume. Sekunge uri munhu akafa. Kuda kuchengetwa ngori guva unge poto yemba. Tanga wagona kuzviitira zvinhu zvako because kunze kwakuna kuchipa varume vamuroti vakurorei vamwe vacho. They don't have respect for you. They don't love you. They don't even know, care or know how important you are in this life. Same applies to the young men out there. There are certain young men out there who are going through tough time because they've always been ignorant. They've been lazy. And young men and young girls, stop using your hands to please yourself and pleasure yourself. You understand? Start focusing on really meaningful. Stop following people on social media who talk about nudity, who talk about sex, because at the end of the day, that's the things that you'll spend the rest of your life thinking. This is why we've got this is why we've got so many young girls who now want to indulge in sexual activities, because everywhere you go, it's always the conversation is all about sex. You go there, people are saying why is here? What vibe up it's also talking about sex. You go chill with your friend. You open your WhatsApp in the groups. Somebody posting videos and pictures of the same conversation. So that will be the only thing that you start to think of. Put yourself in my groups, church. Put yourself in my groups. Arakutengeswa zvinhu mdara. Arakutengeswa kana mafoni kana makompyuta. What's gonna put yourself in my groups emarana? Nzonzi chaka chipa. Nzonzi kuna mnenga. Kuna ningi. Enda ikoko kuna zapa lapa ndontenga zvinhu izvo zvotengesa ma streets. You understand? Think about money, not intimacy. The more you think about intimacy, the more you're throwing your life away. You can't have every man get inside of you like no man's business, man, like as if they're walking in a terminus. No, it's not right. It's not proper. You get my point? So think about money. Think about your life. And stop thinking about having children, a bunch of babies and sitting at home. That's not the way to go. And I'll tell you, your husband will never give you the opportunity for you to go once you get married. They'll never give you the opportunity once you get married. So right now, you need to work for yourself, work for your family. If you're thinking that your boyfriend is going to come with a bunch of money and say, go give it to your parents because he is filthy rich, you're lying. You're lying to yourself. It's one man for himself and God for us all. And God gave you the chance to grow to be a girl because He wanted you to learn certain things so that you will be able to fend for yourself. But if you will not allow yourself to do that, then my guy, my sister, my brother, you are playing with your life. You're putting your life at risk. I've seen a lot of ladies who are going through gender-based violence, and I've seen a lot of men. All because so in this life, focus on bigger things, on better things. There will come a time, there will come an age where you know I need to have a family. Stop being pressured. Nema Zambia, mnaona pa social media. Anakaos came home. Vajinji vachu. Anakaos came home. Avasku garama 2 months. Avasku garama 3 months in marriage. All because they got into that marriage looking for something and hoping to please somebody. But unfortunately, what they were looking for and hoping to please is not what they found in that marriage. So this is what I am encouraging everyone out there, the young girls, come at 2K, to update your software and remove every sexual thought and put the monetary thoughts, the religious thought, the cultural thoughts. My name is DJ Mbale, the Mangungu boss. It's been a pleasure being with you on Zimdancehall Overdrive. I'm back on radio this coming Saturday on the Lovers Connection from 6 to 9 p.m. It's gonna believe you me. But remember to follow me on Twitter at DJ Mbale Official, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. It is Mangungu TV. Until next time, I gotta say peace. I'm out. Stand by for Saki Grace, the beautiful Melanin Indoda. Okay, it's okay. I'm out.
the fam, I'm sending see and never let me go. Papa didn't know kukunda mashingo wa Jericho.
DJ Mbale. The Mangungu Ndengu CEO is now live on Star FM.
With a bang.